Honestly, yeah, you see me now, you see me as a person, I always believe in a teamwork. I just me. I mean, I really, if me go for play a sound, me not really go for him. I don't care who big fan, who not big. Me just know it's a work, me I go. And as long as me can get the job done, the way it's supposed to done, and everybody alright, and promoter make money, and the fans them enjoy the dance, that's fine with me. Me not go for play sound for position, and I might think that never in my time, never, not even one, never yet. So, if me even have to go for tech talk from Trooper and he must do that and that, me not care.
Right.
Because me only know so the work I get done. Him satisfied with the work, Jara satisfied with the work and everything is fine. I saw me look on life. Until today I saw me look on life.
How were you welcomed by Trooper though? Because when you got employed to the zone, him did still in Japan?
He never did Japan them time.
Oh, so
him there. Because remember the first dance when we go with Pieces now, we played the Friday night, Trooper was there Friday.
Okay, right. So what was it like, with the Trooper dynamics when you just go around the zone? Was he, welcoming and...
Well, for me go around the zone still and there still, as me I say, me play the dance with Pieces, me never fully up on the sound at the time.
Me just
I fill in every time Trooper not there. When me fully now, up on the sound now, I'm like, him with there and me there, see him with them. Me just did it, cause me nah...
You're gonna the dance here,
me gonna the dance here, but me nah...
You're not push up?
I mean, I get no play because... No, it's a man, Trooper is a one-man army still, Now, who did that, who can mix, him alone did that mix and attack. But I guess our theme style, that made him feel comfortable and more, ensure.
I'm sure I'm thinking that way.
Yes. You understand?
Fair enough.
Yeah, I think him more feel more secure and can balance. Him not if when he say tune, try him do it himself. He know for time himself. Than how him go wait and for time, know how for time with the next man and mix him or so. But me that few dance with the man. I mean, shape me like him a player, like I saw alone a play. I say, yo, Trooper, play there. Like a 45 juggling, and I say, yo, play the song there. And then play it and he get a forward.
Because you're not juggling machine, man, Trooper not juggler.
And he say, him not going to remember them things that still like him say, Freddie, Jaro is 2 head better than one. A good thing up on the machine still in our done because I say all them look sitting there. We need somebody that, So him not going to remember them look things that still. I mean, he can't remember. Me can't even remember the first dance we said that to him too. You understand? So, but me still know say, him the man on the song, but me just easy because when me find out, when me up on the opposite side, he can't give me no chat,
Right.
Because you're not better than me. I told you up on the opposite side, you're not a bad man for me. And me I defend my machine, I defend your machine. So you're not better than me, you're not bigger than me, no way. He told you up on the same level, playing field. You understand? It just turn out to the man who get the better at the end of the night. True. So now me up on fee machine now. But some people look and think different, and a man will look and and say, oh, I mean, I'm man, and I say, you have to listen to what I say, boy. You understand? Right. But still, me play the game. See, I will play that game because really and truly, you're the man, so me come in here and if you say, take off your shoes, you say me take off my shoes because I hear house. I just saw me look on life. You understand? Fear. So I work with the rules and the regulation and me know so when him did that play him song, me just did it. If he call me and he say, boy, come mix 2 songs, me go. But if you not do that, me just play before him come and dance. Me just did that play. So when him come now, him take over. And sometimes I'm and Keith, cause two of them really bridging the radio. So 2 of them more. I guess he may be comfortable with him.
Chemistry with him.
Yes, because 2 of them they run this song a long time. So mostly 2 of them work together. Normally, I put it down with 2, me play early and talk early until him come. And when 4 dance done and him decide to cut, after he cut, we take over and just take the last part of the dance, whoever did there and just play till. So I saw for me and him thing go. But what really make me excel, because me realize me dead now and it's like my name Robot, because Super D sound exists no more. So nobody know where this Freddie Krueger disappeared to or nothing. Then I know so I see him somebody play. Nobody no know that. Because you know, so them time not really
social media,
yes,
internet
so
time.
it kinda difficult and then now and I like say nobody hear me on a cassette I play Jara officer and you know I don't hear one youth I play Jara so them all just think so I knew it because everybody mind focus on Trooper Jara. So there's nobody else in a for them head.
Right, naturally. Yeah, well.
You understand? So the only time now me really get a chance to play this one when I'm not there. So even the Turboponic dance, that was a buck-up dance, you know.
Oh yeah, because we won't get to that.
Yeah.
But before we talk about Turboponic and some of the clashes, Zane, after establishing yourself as one of the biggest selectors in the space and Super D, you know, some people ask the question, why Freddie never got one song, him got be the main man. Instead of going on Jaro, him got play second fiddle to a Ricky Trooper.
Alright. Me never even look on life them way there. Because honestly, let me tell you this. Growing up, I start playing music from a teenager. From 17, I play music professionally. You know. I never know that sound system would take me all over. If you can go foreign. When I do that feel first, I'm frightened. You know. I never know so someone can come and go foreign. You know. So, by me not playing Super D sound anymore, me just know say a music me play, a sound system me play. So, me not look in my head say, boy, me go look at sound for myself. Me not think them way there. Me just know say, I work same. So me just like say, boy, me change the job and go and do a different, you know, different company go and work.
Yeah.
So me just know say I work same way.
Yeah. And before me forget this, you see, you made mention foreign. When I first when you go foreign, so we soon pick up back Jara, yeah? When I first when you go foreign go play?
1992.
92?
Yeah.
Super D?
Super D.
Where you go?
Canada.
Clash?
No, the first time I think the first time I made a Stitchy.
Okay.
Stitchy. It was not Clash, it was a Carabana.
Oh, okay.
So cool. Mostly majority of the dance when me hear how it end up for now. Me because through nuts I travel the state so much. So because my name I call now, so nuts now so art then. Through him can go the state, so nuts tell Dennis say, like Freddie go do it, make him do the Canada dance them. So all I dance what me I go do, I'm mostly juggling dance. I'm not really in a Clash dance man or something.
Freddie, not used to look out for you in a real life. Man.
Yeah, man, that's a good you. Yeah, man.
Like
look, yeah, man.
Some of the Super D Clash dance I'm a fan, where you're involved in. You remember who those were against?
As me tell you, say the Super D never had no portion of Clash dance.
Okay.
The only two Clash dance me can remember, Super D really going out with me, you know, overseas, you know, was the one with Jaro and Black Reaction.
Okay.
And one England with a sound named Sovereign Syndicate and one next song.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, those are the two dance me ever remember going to class with Super D. All the rest of them are mostly a juggling dance them.
And here what I not do during the Super D part of the conversation. I know they are Jara, but them time they know Panther a killer in a space too.
Yeah.
How many times you and Panther go at it?
With Super D?
Yeah.
One time me and Panther clash and I play Super D and I kill him, you know.
Kill him. Which one?
Cross Key.
Manchester.
I mean, the time the Panther wear something like Kurt, some clothes, you know them clothes where you can see through. What that material name again? What? Shabba used to wear linen man. Yeah, man. And then when Panther walk in the dance, and I think I want artist, you know, I think I Shabba one of them man that tap in the dance, you know, with big gold chain on the neck, you know. I first time that me I see him, you know, Panther, you know. I first time that me I buck up on a Sony Black Cat.
Right. Okay.
Man bad like a yard, boy, see through Super D loaded with song.
Bad selector, man.
Him bad man, bad, but guess what now? We have more songs on him, that is what get him out the night, you know.
More songs have more songs
yes,
Black Cat.
But that is what get him out the night, but me I tell you.
That's why I want to G to cause when you was making name, enough boy could do that.
Alright, you know, so that dance, after me kill Black Cat at that dance when we reach back at town, Nuts them stay afar and I hear that. This is the first time now, you know. When Nuts come down from far and come down with a watch and say, boy, I'm here where you do last night and all this man
can give you.
Can gift me.
They kill
until today they are the only selector that we ever know say As a teammate, him say, boy, him feel proud of what me do and catch something going to give me. Never, no more selector never do that for
So
me.
you
do that
never,
for me.
all when you kill Turboponic, Chupa never say, yo, well done.
It's a under mother me get, man.
And I will soon come to So you're the Jara, you know, Zid, and you say Hype and Keith and Chupa. Jeremy Lee was there at the time too?
No, man.
No, Jeremy Lee wasn't there at the time.
Jeremy
Okay.
left his son.
Okay, cool. So you are now playing the role that you are allowed to play because you are no longer, you know what I mean, around a zone where you are the main man.
Yeah.
And Chupa was the one going overseas, so you are take the dances on the ground.
On the ground, yeah.
See, you said the first dopey way you make from Jara was Pieces.
Pieces.
So I could go into the Turboponic. The Turboponic clash. Because you said that a buck up. Why you said that? You weren't the one who was supposed to play?
I think them never, it was, I think it was a double booking Jara me take.
Oh.
And when him realize it now, him never, you know, I think cause, but them time you know, Jara maybe about the dance I'm a foreign. Mr. Ray. Because Jara used to have a booking agent and Mr. Ray, you know. Upon the wall time. We do posters and then the man used to do all of them posters.
Okay,
and them,
cool.
Mr. Yeah, that man used to do the book, most of the booking them for locally. So I guess I saw it end up. Jara take the foreign dancer and then him take the dancer with Turboponic. Seeing so, I saw him realize now, so them have to go foreign. So I saw now me have to go play the dance. So that's why I tell you it's a buck up. Because Chupa didn't know about the dance long time. They didn't know about the dance.
Right.
You understand? So but when you realize that them have to go foreign now, I saw me
It'll pass on to you.
Yes.
But even before the Turboponic dance, because, you know, I've watched one or two interviews that you have done. And even prior to the Turboponic dance, you were having issues really and truly getting all of the dub plates on a time for your clash. True?
Not really set time for clash still, you know. Because if me didn't know what me know now still, like things that me know now,
Right.
but me never know. So me just have, as me say, me just go up on a son and me work, and me expect say boy, it don't be a level playing field. Because me I come from a son where a level playing field.
Yeah, nuts.
Yeah, so anything where they are so not yeah.
So the dubs were duplicated and Super D.
Yes. So when me come pan now, like say boy, me come pan, are you coming in a bigger company?
Bigger company?
Yes. So you come expect to see better things.
I would assume that too.
Yes.
I would expect that.
But it wasn't like that.
So one set of dub plates.
Yeah. Well, they have two set of dub, but you know have no new dub.
Okay.
But you have the Genius, bro, and you have
the anthem,
yeah, you have them all songs.
The 80s.
Yeah, you have them, but you know have the
early 90s.
Yeah, the new
you
song.
have the new thing them.
You don't have them there. Them they just there on one side. Ghana foreign and then nothing left a yard to play. So you have to just make
Well,
it.
no wise.
That means saying to myself,
That
but that means
wise.
but I just
as somebody who probably have intention for own a son in the future, like me couldn't tell you, say that can't wise.
You know why, but that was the thing.
Because you want to make sure say your machine fully defended a yard and abroad.
Well, you I look upon it that way, but the next man I look upon it that way.
That father up and go on with.
No. I you know
but as it boss, as my son, a me name father up, me name Papa Jara, you know, and a Chupa son.
Well, me look upon it that's my chef, so me look upon it that way too, but at the end of the day, as I say, if me didn't know what me know.
You may understand,
yeah,
man.
Me.
Understand.
But at the end of the day, a Chupa cut the song them. So
yeah,
it's
man,
when me start do all of these interviews, me know all of these things
he's
that
employed to Kilimanjaro. It wasn't Son Chupa at the time.
Well, that's true, yes, but why? If you tell like, man, it was. Me tell you still, you know, I say, me can find my way out in any dance, you know. I just saw me stay still, me can, cause me as a youth, me is a all-rounder. I mean, I plan no game for go dance with. Me go neutral.
That's
so that means you can't outplay me. I don't go with no playlist, I go with no seminar playlist, I go with nothing in my mind that way.
You go for anything will happen, you can ride with it, flow with it.
Me just flow with it and make use of it. So I just saw me stay. So, he just when now, me start, when me see like, say, when me up on the sound, fully now, like fully employed now, and so then we are gone foreign and the sound there, and me start ask the song. So, me ask the song, months on top of months, me ask the song, man. Because when Trooper they are playing, remember me telling you, know, dance under fire, you know, with the song them when you have, you know, so me I say, me know the talent when me have, and me know say if me have them song, and me know how me can, and
Dance mash up.
yes. You understand? So, when we realize that everybody else afraid of Trooper on the sound, and none ask me ask, you know, because none of them not say nothing, they ask Trooper, nothing, you know. They not ask Trooper for no song. But maybe them know the reason why. Me no know, but me I go ask, because me want a song to play. Because if you show me use a new song when me that Super D, so me I go ask, so if me know you have them, I go ask you. Because me no expect say boy, you know, hard feelings is there or nothing, so I thought we are play the same sound, so me I go ask you.
Naturally.
Is either yes or no. He never yet tell me no still, you know. He just tell me if you come that time when I come in, I did it. Yeah, he never yet tell me no, me not telling a lie. He always say, yeah man, come man, just come to the studio that time and me cut them off here, but me come in Ghana foreign. Yeah, he just give me a date. But he never yet tell me no. But me kind of look on it, and so when I realize, not long when I realize, but wait, me not get this song there, man. So, me come up with that game plan and saying, all right then, man. So me always use a tape dance, a tape cassette, you know. So me always have high bias cassette, a tape all I dance at my night time and thing, you know. So we up on the road one weekend. So me have 2 box of high bias cassette. We play with who play? I think we play with Black Cat in a St. James. A place named Malden. Yeah. So the following night now we are going to play at St. Elizabeth. See? So, Trooper drive with a 3 dub box Trooper having. When dance done and carry in with the dub.
With the dub box them?
Yeah man. And when they come and dance and carry them
come.
Then I stay up on the sound, you know.
Oh.
So, but because now we play at St. James and we are going to go to St. Elizabeth. So he might go back to town, so he say not carry everywhere. He never knows this happening. He say I go to town, he might go, so he not carry back the
dub box them.
Yeah, they look too much load if you go back with him, you know, true, and never him alone him and him breaching them. So he don't know he left them on the truck.
Yeah.
So he left them on the truck now and he gone. So we go dance now, we go reach our next dance and we strung up. Everybody gonna sleep. You see? I want them dub here, you know. So I just start open up the dub box, you know. And I start recording, I just start playing them through we see how much work when everybody is sleeping that morning there, you know, everybody gone, you know. So I just start play them on the turntable and take off all them ones and put them on high bias. 2 full box. 20.
Holy power, that, you know?
90 minutes. What a cassette. Me full with dub. Half them. I don't like say me do it, I mean I say nothing to nobody. Me just never tell none of the selector them.
Right.
And nobody, me tell Jaro.
I tell Father Papa.
Say, boss, I cut off all I dub them, the trooper left the box them and I cut off all of them and Jara. So what you mean? That's all he say. Saying so. There comes now when them have to go foreign. And the Turboponic dance come, me ask he sang them, you know.
And you give them.
Me ask him and he say, if he come, he said, come Wednesday. When me go Wednesday, Trooper gone for Tuesday. And the only time I say, call like Will have me out to ball, I say, Jazz and no start. So, what up now? Me already tell Jara, so I have them still, you know. But me tell Jara, me tell him I go ask Trooper for his song them first still. I go ask Trooper, because Trooper said if come.
Right.
Yeah. You know. So, I get them from Trooper. So, him did tell me, said, enough dub dice through though. So just cut what I want. So I just go to the I buy a cassette them. And I start cut. So everything we can bust dance, man. Every new song, man. Me, anything when me no cut, or when me no want.
Yeah.
So when me got so me got Turboponic dance, me well loaded, man. Me loaded.
And then Rinta Fresh my plan for Trooper.
I'm a plan for Trooper. We reach on the final early, we reach on there, because I chop me good on pan, you know. Because them time I chop upon them time, man.
That's a big selector.
I chop upon, see how we are telling me, all of them big dance how me I tell about. I chop upon. I got dance. Also man attack and things like say, boy, me just come in at this. I chop upon from dumper truck to cover up back truck. I chop got dance.
Yeah.
Years pan top of years. Even when you see me upon Jara, so I in 2000 me want that show all them time that chop me I travel upon same way. After my time you see me I travel go far and me I travel upon truck same way. But me not complain and me not hype and show off and me not boast and make nice like nobody. Because I work. I mean I make it be nobody to me. And music me love, you know.
Yeah.
And I like me love the truck back, but me love the music more. So me just have to just work with the truck back. And me not have a vehicle, so what me I go do? Say me nah go. Mad man, me go hold truck back and gone, man. Anytime I can't hold a truck back, me hold a bus. Hold a bus and reach where you dance. And if me not have the money for reach where you dance, me make sure hold the truck now left me. Me gone a dance. But when me guy reach a Turboponic dance, man, I reach early, you know. I think I want next dance with the left and go there too.
Oh, okay.
I reach early. We reach maybe about 10 o'clock in the morning, so. If I reach and the sun starts set up. And people start come, the crowd of people start gather around.
Grey box days, that same way?
Yeah, man, grey box days, man, all in one box. Look at 10 inch by the top there, man. So, you have a stage in Ireland. So, should we reach in Ireland before?
String up on the stage.
So, we go up on the stage. And we did a string up on someone there, and the man said, we go up on stage. Every man that go up on there is dead, you know. And we come off. And I saw them go on there, we did that string up on Keith is a man and coward, you know. I said, boy, all the man, I better pay them the money, I could do what we had done. See? So, we did that, we are strung up. And we did that, and the sound strung up, man, and then they done attacking, and them attack, walk out, and I tell it, then say, travelers come, they dead. Then say, bodyguard dead, then say, attack all one who dead. See? Then tell them I don't know nothing more about Turboponic, but I just know sign of them yard that we are playing, because I sign of them yard we are playing. But I don't know nothing about them, I never, you know. So, it's an old man. I never forget when the old man walk come and then they attack and the old man walk come and dance and then people them chat and them go on and them give it to Jara, you know. And the old man said, when you see the little sound down here in Jara, you know about take it simply in one dangerous sound. That's all the old man say, you know. The old man said nothing else, that's all the old man said. When you know take the little sound, they simply one dangerous sound. Yeah, man. The dance ram from about 8 o'clock, man. The dance ram, man. Ram. And when Turboponic then start playing, man, them a try, but guess you know. True, me know me loaded, because I don't like say, I just look at all songs that me have, me loaded, you know. me know, say, them can't have the amount of song what Jara have. Right now at that dance, to the amount of song when me cut off. Remember me tell me just tell myself, sir, it's a super the juggling me a going in at this, you know. And then now, so, true me just come from Jara, so now, me can play like, me can give the super the juggling, but me have to, the trooper principle and style of how him play, because you know trooper.
A Jara thing that.
A Jara thing that. So you see how trooper would behave, me have to try put myself in a that feel, to behave that way, to capture these people, you know, because they used to trooper behave like a bad man and a gangster. So me have to, me can't do it like him.
The persona,
but
as best as I can.
Yes. Because that is how Jara sound build up, so me have to just adapt as much as it me can. So, But me, they don't plan what me I go do with them, you know. And whole heap of thing when me plan for them, I never bother use it because I realize it never make no sense because I don't have a whole dance. I'll even when me find out say the select, I don't let me find out say the select and then winter fresh, you know.
Oh yeah, that even that I didn't know.
That even that me didn't know. So I go to the shop, go buy a pack of winter fresh. And have it in my pocket all along. But I find out so me I deal with it. Because I just say, so what do you do with winter fresh boy? And tear it up and dash it. But I never bother do it.
Right,
no, because so we don't have a dance already. So I don't need to go there. So I don't need to go there. So I never bother do it. I think me never bother do it.
First, I biggest beat that I get in life, sir.
Yeah, because well, you see, that's why. That's why I tell you, and
you don't plan,
I don't plan because neutral. Because you see, anytime you plan it, don't work. Enough time you plan something and it don't work out. So don't not plan.
When I plan and got a wipe out, man.
Yes. So nobody plan, man. Just go in a dance neutral at all.
Then so then confused when I start give it to them, man.
Yeah, man. Come when I start put on the brush, I'm nobody take it off and I say, when I realize I'm just a beat. See, when man a beat song, man, and the song them a work.
Listen, back in the since there, brother. You
I sang me, I jump the song them, I jump the song them. All right. For sure, you. One of the biggest forward in I dance was Ninja Fort song, you know. As the sound then come with them, Jaro play double plate and just counter Rocky. When this is an early Sunday man in a jump overboard. I think Ninja Fort when they song, you know, the Turboponic can't kill Jaro. When that drop down there, you know, I remember say them time and a man call a whole heap of name.
Yes.
So when them people don't just say you're Turboponic, you calling a one song, Jara killing a one song. Oh, what dear man, the people on that beat on the whole place. I one of the biggest forward down there night, man.
Yeah, bro.
Because through them ever them come and say them a counteract this and them play and they say them a counteract them. So the song when Ninja, the song there, it come like a dancey bill for it's not the dancey bill for.
Right.
It just at the right time, man. Yeah. It's just at the right time.
Yeah, man, them said that dance is a dance and make them have a change in game, man, and up them game,
yeah,
brother.
Man, because them them hungry, you know.
Lesson, man.
Them time them hungry.
Because what I think too is that because you feel like I guess you never get the opportunities where you want. When you get the opportunities, you seize them.
Yes, that's exactly. That's why me end up play Jara sound so ignorant, you know, because so me not get an opportunity. Otherwise, I say one opportunity me get. Murder and I just come like you have a dog locked up in a house or so, you know. One time you pull the gate and you never know where you run gone. But him not gone feel good enough. But he just glad we get let out and gone. So
you went to Westmoreland in a Turboponic land and killed the sound when you kill every sound.
Every sound down there, man. I talk down at that, man. Murder.
And at this point, was this the biggest night in your Jara career so far?
So far. So far was that dance was that car dance now the first sound that me kill where I beat every sound down. Everybody go down Western Chapel. Yeah. A Jara go down to go cool him. Jara go down to go cool him.
And I think that was the first of 3 dances because I know that them kill but trooper. I mean, there are some conversations around that about low voltage and some issue, but trooper dead.
But well, me can't tell you, because I was there. That was in Hanover. The voltage was low for true. But at the same time, still, them plan for Jara more than plan for Trooper.
I remember they plan for Trooper already, so
yes.
You don't have to plan back
so you don't have to plan for them. But, as me tell you, me think we are ahead of some things still, you know. But I can tell you that, I know, it's not better Turboponic better than Jara, you know. But, Trooper maybe won't like this when I say it, you know. But it's just Trooper carelessness, you know.
You underestimate them?
Yes. Because I'm going to tell you, until today, and that is the way I think. If I'm wrong, but and maybe if Trooper really means to tell the truth, I think it's not the way them think. Trooper just tell himself, say, if Freddie kill them boy are easy for me kill too, man.
But Freddie, I kill everybody, every sound I ever play before.
Yes, but you know, look on it now. I'm the man for the sound when me do pan for me, that me just say.
Well,
you understand what I mean? So he maybe tell himself, say, Freddie can't beat them. So let me tell you something.
I understand what I'm saying fully.
Never say have himself saying better than me, you know. In every way, you know, and I'm the man, you know. So if me can kill them boy, that's so easy. It's no problem for him kill them.
Oh. Winter fresh had a plan for him.
but I saw them something always
Yeah,
ago. That's why I tell you,
understand.
say never honest me nobody. Me
So if they take the dance just as it for what it is, me I'll clash a sound and I prepare myself, it would then kill them
and
probably.
they kill him. Yeah, you see how him attack certain dance. Can me go in a some dance. We play a some dance. So when Trooper reach the way he attack the dance, you know. Even at sometimes some dance man on a clash, you know, with the next sound they make the next sound everyone the man say
They want dance, we want play again.
they don't want play because him not give no boy no chance. Him not give nobody no chance. I saw him play when him go when him prepare. If you go out for your dance,
Yeah, no problem.
you ain't a problem because I now give you no chance. All right. The third dance we keep with Turboponic. You see we all Trooper attack that dance. If him did attack
The second
Turboponic dance
so-
or the second dance, Turboponic wouldn't win, you know. And I said them wouldn't go on with things down there, you know.
Right.
But if him did approach the dance the way they so crab it, Turboponic would have a problem.
So arrogance cause a defeat there.
Him just tell himself, say, if me kill them, he can't kill them.
Complacency, I guess.
That's why you know, if you take nothing for granted, you know, you can't ease up no time at all.
Yeah.
either.
And I think the third dance, you were the promoter.
Yeah, I may keep it third dance at these side.
Oh, cool. But even for step back now, you got the dubs without him knowing, so you had the dubs, you win the clash. And if me and you play the same sound and me forward back from front and you see you kill Turboponic. A bar we gone drink Guinness or anything.
Boy, me the thing say, boy, I that me that look pan, you know. Me I tell you honest truth. Looking back, me I tell you, say, that me I look pan and I say, I that I got, cause when me left me yard, cause every day we gone a studio, and every day me dance studio. From Monday to Friday a studio we there, you know, on the studio, you know. Cause you know, Trooper got a friend and him a come. By Monday him dance studio, cause him dance studio every day too. See? So me reach a studio, when me reach a studio, it's like I walk on Manized Road, I come on the jerks. When I reach, I come on the sun, like him just parking car over the plaza, across the Midway Plaza.
Midway.
So you know, it's a same place right at the jerk stand, so I buck him up, so. Me feel so proud in myself, I know, so I buck him, you know, and I agree with him and think, oh yeah, man, and I say, well, I'm yo, man, send me right up on him. You don't have to take serious. Like, right, man, right up, man say, yo, man, say, nothing deal with him. Till me start wonder what me do. Because I don't know what me do yet, you know. And when the man tell me that, you know, I don't know what me, honestly, I don't know what me do. I don't know what me do. It's like me shock. I go in the studio and I go in there and then I see the tension and, you know, or I see face around my range and then in front of them and something. So me just left, because I just take my time and left. At the next day now, me know where I go on the driver, make me know because the other two selected them now. And the driver,
right.
yeah, man, you know, Trooper must call them. See, and I sang on him, cut off the song. And Keith sang on him. So them say I must me. So Trooper say I must me then, because if none of them man then I must me. Because I cheer around the sun, so if none of them I must me. So I mean, so that I think make him behave them way with me. I find out, but me just say, in a business. Because me done win already. I can't say thing go get in and listen.
You say I can't say listen.
Yeah, so me just say, me in a business after me do nothing wrong. So enough for me just say me in a business, because you understand, so me still never know. So from this you know, for me and him tension kind of different, you know. Because then kind of realize, you know, it's a Freddie now, he's sharp, you know. And Freddie's the man, if you allow him, you know, and get out there, you know, go boss quick.
Jara.
Yeah. And guess you know, Jara sound is a one-man army thing. That me realize with it. And when me just got Jara sound, I go way back, you know. You know what Jara look for Monday when me just get the work and say, you're going to see some things happen on the sound where you never see happen on no more sound before. So when all of these things are play out, he just a play in my head and I say, boy, I say, these are the things. Him just not tell me, but these are the things him tell me. So it's not a better rose. So I go book up on it, you know. So I realize, with the sound here, ever since a fight, you have to fight for anything you want on it. It's not an spoon me feeling thing. I saw it still.
So from that, the relationship, work relationship with you and Trooper kind of get a little bit dicey.
Yeah, it kind of get away because enough disrespect me get all in a Migla dance, man. All in a...
From Trooper?
Yeah, man, all in a Migla dance.
Big Freddie Krueger.
Yeah, man. All in a Migla dance, man. What if I embarrassment me get, man? Na Migla dance, man. Man tap all the Migla dance on the mic. Send me up in a way if you send me up.
For what?
Why me I tell Jara, me tell you something, enough what me but you see me is a strong youth, you know, me different. I mean just make and anybody you can't get me down for war with you. And them things, but me get disrespect in a dance, man, till all me I walk. It come like a shame for walk out I dance, man. I hold dance, I go see me I walk out. And walk out and reach a door, I see man all come out the door and say, boy, John or Freddie, if me I even want far cousin, you know, me lead them through pine I dance, you know. I'm just there, I'm just see them, I say, no man, everything good, man. I know you have to take shame out of you and say everything good, man. I'm just go one side and cry, leave me I water as a big man. Ball! I know, you say, I mean, all grow them something, as me I say still, you know.
But Freddie, this is how me can't, this is how me I try. I understand say Trooper is Trooper and Jara is Jaro. But we not talk about a man we are trying to make a name in our business. We are talking about a selector we kill almost every selector we play so on already.
But if you notice until today, I saw Trooper and BFC and still. So you just know it's just him that. But back then, me not know, you understand, you know, you not look for them things from a man still. You see me? If me was an ignorant somebody, you know what that happened? Me and Trooper would end up fight around Jara sound. I know how it done played out. And man,
you have to go left.
No, that's it I go break down. So sometimes you just leave it and make it pass because I'm going to say, boy, I go see the man did this so and them say, and me, I go there and fight. You understand me?
Yeah, make me get that still in a Freddie, but
so me have to just humble myself and easy.
Yeah, man, me get that, you know.
Me whole pipe me get, man.
Like that?
But yeah, man.
Over, as in over and over and over.
Yeah, more than one time I get it, man. More than one time, man. More than one time I get that, man. Yeah, man.
And you reach a stage now where Trooper stopped giving you the mic. Based on my understanding of how the thing play out.
Well, I want to tell you, say, you know, I feel one of friend and can tell me that, you know. And I like somebody go ask a man, a man can tell me, a man can tell me.
Because in the past, there are times the music give the mic, at least a few minutes in a dance.
So, me just hear say, man can tell me, man just tell me straight. I mean, I tell you this, you know, you see your lifestyle. And one night, Trooper kill for them, so that we there, let up and me, I did it with them, you know. And what I would in I dance and Trooper beat them up a compound town, you know.
Oh, okay.
Trooper beat them and Trooper beat them. And when beating, reaching by the man, he said, boy, Freddie, you can't go and jump up around Trooper and Trooper not like you, you know. Trooper come up at them office, can tell him everything and say, oh, no, give him no mic and easy for the boss, we have to give hype and Keith. See?
Which song was it?
Travelers. That are the only time, even the disrespect them when me get in a dance, me still make them think they pass. And then when me hear that, me tell you that, me feel me, I say, Judge, I know start. Me is a humble youth, you know, and me still humble and relax. So when me do now, when every dance me go down, me start watch. And I realize now, next year me even the up front, they say, he might pass around me, he go there, so he go back there, so he go there, so he go back there, so I mean, I get the mic. I'm just easy and humble myself. Just easy and humble myself same way.
So what role Father Harper playing on this as this transpired though?
Yo, I'm gonna say this and it may be so away now, but Jara can't do nothing about it. And can't do nothing about it.
I'm not want to do nothing about it.
And can't do nothing about it. Because me see say him can't do nothing about it. Because I guess I know. It's like because Trooper is a man on a business now. Trooper is a man who just there, so. And if Jara even say, boy, say that wrong, Trooper open up him out loud. And I eat that, it done there, so. You see me?
Me see you still.
It done there, so my brother. Maybe they talk about it behind closed door with both of them. I wouldn't know. 'Cause maybe, you know, but,
Yeah.
but you know, but, boy, it was so much different. Reality, it was so much different. It was so, because when being there over the years, sometimes you realize why Chupa behave so. Even when Chupa left. You know, and then I realize why him behave the way there. And some of the time, even though I me end up get the end of the stick the way that with him, because I guess the rest of the man around him afraid of him, you know. But true, me as a man, me not afraid. So me I get all of those things I come up on it, but me realize why him behave so. When him gone, because as me I say, the pressure will reach me and me just easy, I mean say nothing. So him is an outspoken person. He's an outspoken person more than me. So me just, the things reach me, if though me know the thing wrong, me just easy and hold it. Him not go hold it, so him open up for him out loud. So when he open him out loud for Jara for ease, me now open my mouth out loud, me just easy. So he say so what I'm now, so the advantage take with me more. Because me now open my mouth and say nothing. So anybody who can take advantage of me, I take it, you know.
Oh.
You see, come in and open my mouth and say nothing.
Oh. They say, yeah,
Yeah, man. Me get, why I say, man, yo, me can, if me for write a book,
right, man.
but the problem them when me go through.
Right, yeah, make it one,
In
sell
my
one, buy
music
one
thing,
for
man.
Amazon
Even,
and then please.
I let me tell you this now. You see, I'm grateful for all the experience and all the love and all the everything when me get off of Jara, son. I'm very grateful. I don't get through the good, the bad, cause everything combined together and everything make it work, you know. Cause if there's someone that just be a good around, you know, you understand, you're too comfortable, but everything, but the experience when me get off of Jara, son, my lad.
Invaluable, man. I mean, I'm one of the musical institutions that, you know, bro.
Yes. And to me, Super D sound is a luxury, if you put it that way. I wouldn't call Super D sound my home. I couldn't call Jara my home. We don't come like you send me out on the battlefield, Iraq you send me to go fight war. Trust me, I tell you.
Was there ever a dance where you and Chupa, like we are not used to go at it, you and Chupa have the vibe there and Killer Sound, was there ever a dance where you and him just give it to somebody?
No, sir. All I dance and what we can remember, I give it to him, I do killing.
And when you get the opportunity, you will do the killing by yourself.
Yeah, me do the killing, but me no mind still, you know. You understand? As me say now, because I'm at the front runner at all times, so yeah, you know.
I understand.
Yeah,
man.
so.
But me just say no, you know, me have one of the top selectors as my right hand man, you know. We are gonna build a team and kill some people.
Yeah, but me say enough dance when me know say me could
make a difference.
Make a difference. Even when Chupa did. Me not if even talk, you know, if even mix, you know, and everything, you know, and for give him idea and say, yo, don't play that. When can dominate it more, because him is a man now, if I'm a film idea and no more about the idea.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So if he don't have film game plan, I go, but sometimes remember saying you did this attack and I do your thing, you know. But me I see something different,
yeah,
you know.
I
See something I can work, you know, but as a man and I take no telling me that him never tell it, you know, every time so do that. You know. Him just up on what him a do.
Yes.
See him so. I just see
98 World Clash. You went there?
No, me uncle the one with the 99 me there.
99, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I got 99.
You played any active part in that clash?
Me just there, I just spectator, turn up around the sound. I don't mix a song. Yeah, we don't mix a song, man.
From your memory, what were the sequence of events are in your mind? What led to Chupa leaving Jara?
Whoa. That was 99 Chupa leave Jara, you know. Why? The amount of sitting with me, why I mean...
Oh, you're not because you're
No, what I say still, Yes, I'm the right person to tell you that, because me would know, I know, because young can assume.
Yeah.
The only person who know the exact thing is him. So him have to tell him story. Me just know say them have them fault. Me, you know, him, well, I guess him, me, because me not go say, him say that, and him say that.
Yeah, man, I don't want you to do that either. You understand?
You know,
Say, as
so
if
I
it not
think,
affect
but
you directly, yeah, I understand.
we him live in Jara sound, it don't have nothing to do with me, because me and him never have the problem they need.
Right.
If he say, boy, me couldn't be a threat to make him left the sound, so me wouldn't excuse myself totally out of it.
Yes.
You understand? I mean, never hear that before, like say, you don't have no, if me the hear say, boy, you have something to do with me, then I wouldn't tell you, say, boy, him saying left because Freddie, me not hear that, me never hear none about that before, never hear of that before. And if me hear something like that, when I say, but that would done crazy. Me not in the position for even for that. You understand me? Yeah, you know.
And then now, generally speaking, historically, when the main selector leave a sound, generally the view is that the sound pop down. Pop down. Then after when Trooper leave, to be fair, Father Harper ain't really attend out for clash either.
Not taking out for clash. He stopped the clash completely.
With a killer in the army, see me?
One clash him taking out. I guess I know him never knows a Trooper left the sound, you know.
Oh.
Him never knows a Trooper left the sound that time because the clash. You remember Jack Creation?
Bad Warriors.
Alright. When Jack Creation killed everything down on Mobile side and up in the hills, you know. Jara go down there go cool him, you know. Because when he kill everybody, you know, he must say my body sound. Some people then say, you know, body, you have to kill Jara first. So then send for Jara. A trooper the figure dance, you know.
Oh.
Alright. We did a clash, one of the eyepiece clash on the side there, you know. I said, Jara, go on. Jara said, boy, I wait for a trooper. I know trooper not check him for not to cut the song. But him knows a trooper is a man where trooper have the artist away for him, you know, artist and rate him, and he's a man where we using one money and cut song, same stay. Depend on Jaro.
Right.
He just cut song. I don't know him and the artist have a relationship.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So him that can't
Super highly respected in the space.
Yes.
Artist.
See, you can't take that from him, so they just cut song. So, no man nasty trooper, no man nasty. So one day I look on Jara, I say, Jara, 2 weeks before you dance, you know.
Go
on. I say to him, say, here I go on, you know. He said, I see trooper in a earphone trooper. So I say, but I go and cut some little song, you know. So when trooper come,
something did it.
Yeah, or he just fall in and then he maybe a cut, but just get in something. Seeing? That means when you hear from him, that means he just take it from this and go and go and cut.
Good advice, that.
Yeah. So it's alright. And that's how we start. You and me start cut now. We start listen to creation.
Start counter them.
And start counteract them.
Makes sense.
All the little bat song and me mash up a place and me start counteract them. Seeing? And any song when you have Jara have song in her box, I just speech me a fuse and kill it.
Right.
So me have the whole of them plan there in my head already. And I counteract all of the counteract and I know the song when I have here though, I can make speech pan and kill the song there. So I have all of them in my head. See, the Friday dance I sat there. Jack Creation come and I shoot there cut dub up a Jaro. And cut dub there Friday too.
Yeah.
And when we reach Trooper there too. And Trooper cuss them and say, we not got dead, we not got this, and Trooper deal with them wicked up there, you know. And I say, why am I going to do with them, you know? I say, yes, and then I will feel nice because we say, yes, Trooper is back. See, so we know, say, boy, a murder down the country there now. So, I say, all right, and Trooper go and wicked down the pan, arrest you with the man, them, you know. So, we end up on the reach and I dance. So, when you see, they dance around from about 9 o'clock. I remember me telling you, the Rasta go and bad down at that, when I turn the way the man a bust the place, the man a lie down on the stage, on him back, and the whole dance a bust same way. Then I watch him, come in and we play easy same way, because we say, we don't want to go play a song and
before
then
Trooper come.
Yes, because you understand, so we used to play some easy song and we show say him now use.
Yeah.
See, Keita say, yo, no, but that trouble man, them, just load the man, man. A war dance, So, let me see 11 o'clock come. Jack Creation and mash up a place same way. Not Trooper. Play our next round. Jack Creation come again, the man have the place under fire. Keita say, load the man, so I'm not for trouble him. I say, yeah, mad man, we are got dead. We are got dead. Me say, me not allow them. We have to start know when Trooper come in catch up.
Simple.
So me start the fire down at that. And nothing pretty. When me start come, I realize, yo, if we don't start this now, dead we dead, I'm frozen them out there, man. Flatten them out the week. I did some, me bust on the west side, down the side there, Because the dancer was the dance, so a bigger dance than the Turboponic
Turboponic dance, right.
Bigger dance than the Turboponic, but that's when me get the break on Jara, man, say, what? The boy bad, man. See, and that's now some man starts, people start speculating on us. I see him Freddie that play Super D. Then a bad selector that man. We never know. They know in their own Jara.
Oh no.
And then I know.
But you see, the funny thing, I just said that, because yesterday the Turboponic dance was a buck-up dance. Jack Creation dance, because when you think Trooper come,
yes.
buck-up dance again.
Yeah, buck-up dance again.
And FREDDIE KRUEGER, them buck-up in that one.
A buck-up dance, that again, me general.
So that was the first dopey post Trooper.
Aye. And from that, when the Trooper come back and more dance. So if we did sit down and wait for Trooper,
dead.
we would have dead up there, so. Tell her, dead we would have dead.
99 World Clash, you say you're a spectator. You're there at the clash, but you're a spectator.
Yeah, because I just stand up around the sound.
Yeah, but then 2000 now, you got the opportunity to really step out. But leading up to the World Clash, you clash Mighty Crown, I think twice. I think one in Atlanta and one in New York.
Yeah.
Then kill Atlanta.
Yeah, then when they dance Atlanta.
No, man, dead Atlanta, man.
Well,
semi dead Atlanta.
Well, I can't say me dead just because of them get you see the last song.
Yeah.
But you see the dancer still? Me never really take the dance as nothing still enough.
But as an experienced man, you know, should know better than that,
no,
Freddie, man.
No, but me can explain myself about that dance.
Yourself.
I really give Mighty Crown that dance, and again, then win that dance.
Right.
When they drop the alternellis, then I the dancer, tear on the whole place.
I listen to you dance.
You listen, but here now, if you listen to that dance, check how much new song I hear me playing at the dance. I have some whole song with me voice, some new song. So me voice, I'm gonna feel them out.
Okay. Oh,
so me I see,
testing ground
I test them to see how good the song them is. If they can fight in a war or not, or me have to just load them out. Because remember, say, me just met them, Me don't know how great them would be, how them all turn out to be, So me have to test them in one dance first. So me, at that of the dance, me get to test them and all the 5 I do and them there.
Right.
You know, so me play all them songs and I dance. Me not get no forward for them, nothing at all. People just stand up and look for me. Seeing, I might go now just I play some favorite song where everybody know. And,
some of them anthem then.
Yes, but me I play them song now. So, me till early morning, Jara look for me and tell me, say, boy, you know me play, say them song that full song.
So,
but I don't know full song them.
Test it.
Me have to test them. Me know say the song them bad, but the song them bad. Because them song every one of them song that it song at Jamaica, But Atlanta and them place me did a garden play, I look on the same majority because boy, same thing where we done a mash up joint. Because I remember say and I like say me go America go do no whole heap of clash or did a clash America before now. So me know the clash going work America the way they need that. You understand? But the only thing when me know, me go in a clash and New York. So me know how New York people them behave and how them stay. So me have enough song, because it's true me know say The song them when me voice in New York, me no voice them for Atlanta, you know.
Oh, okay.
Just check the Atlanta dance if you listen. How much call name song I hear me play. When the dance when I think Mighty Con maybe realize it, you know. So is he then realize some whole song and go to tell himself.
Yeah, play possum, man.
Eh?
No, them probably think I play possum, yeah?
No, I ain't go to tell himself so Freddie no good. Because remember the first, them about me up, you know.
Right. It was always Trooper before.
Always Trooper, you know, so would them be of the so other dancer, them fully confident of themselves, you know. We just say, alright then. And even though me know Jaro disappointed, you know, I feel away, you know, but it's true, me know what me have up my sleeve, because before me even go up there, everybody tell me, say, no worry about the Atlanta dance and joke dance, and New York are the dance. And that's why you have to win. No worry about Atlanta dance. Make sure you win at New York. If you even lose Atlanta, but New York, no lose at New York, and that's the dance everybody a plan for. So, I guess the news spread the next day, so boy, might come kill Jara Atlanta.
That got spread.
Yeah, man. So, when you down New York, man, 1-on-1. And me there, because here, you know, remember I say, me still an underdog, nobody no know me yet, you know. See, dance ram now, you know, clash and started and dance ram. What guy bought to me, because you see them down, me dance ram now, you know, come like every minute you want people. Yeah, man. There were some people and that, it's in nerves. Like, yeah, because I remember saying I first back to go, I go face them new time. Every minute, I'm going to the bathroom and I hold a leak, man. And some young cute then I bathroom, man. One of them asks the next one say, what do you think about this Jara Mighty Crown tonight? The next one say, oh, Jaro, nobody know where hell is Freddie. Mighty Crown gonna beat that frazzle at out. And me did them man and my people and watch me and I say, God, tonight I'm gonna show them who name Freddie, you know. And come out, you know. None of them know so me I hear them, you know. That's when I go up there, I touch that stage. Because all of Mighty Crown bad song them I talk about, them I think about. Me have them lock. Because Mighty Crown body song when I love play, Ninja Me Ninja. Me counteract that. A big gunshot chatin, yeah. Jara gonna kill the ninja. Yeah, man. Me counteract all that. Not even one round me beat me chest 1,000,000 times. Me the only youth ever lock off Mighty Crown. And now until today, Mighty Crown retire. No boy, no do that, no bad all them is. And then say them bad and them a bad selector. None of them never lock off Mighty Crown and give Mighty Crown the beat when me give him. None of them. None of them. All of them was them a dinosaur or rhinosaur what they want him. None of them no do it. None of them are the only selector ever do that. And the statute is there to show Mighty Crown and none of them can deny that. It is there to show.
Me have a dance, well.
You see me? Not even one round Mighty Crown ring till them have to lock off and come start to request song.
They thought you get a party.
Yeah, man. So, how them I go like me not doing the work, boy? And then one time and then 2 times, I don't say Mighty Crown beat me.
Yeah.
Mighty Crown beat me too, you know?
I know Mighty Crown beat you.
Yeah, man. Mighty Crown beat me too, man. Mighty Crown beat me, but me beat them more than them beat me. This beat me, beat them more than they beat me.
Yeah.
All of the bad sound, them beat them more than them beat me. All of them. I name the whole of them. What say them bad? Me kill them more than them kill me. But all of them we see in a sport thing, you know. Me am so rushing speech, and say Squingy. Him are the only youth every time me beat him in one dance. He always come and shake me and say, what you do it tonight, yeah? You go around me. Really youth. You
love the sports.
Yes.
You love the sports. You love the sports.
Yeah, man. Them youth then take them thing there, like, and I like them to take them jobs, but you see, then I make that them just know say boy, I just feed them and I feel like that.
So in 2000, you know, I think it was Mighty Crown, where you just kill them around one part. Mataran, Liquor Rock,
Yeah.
Pow, Kilimanjaro.
And base of this.
And base of this, I forgot what base of this. Yeah. And you know, I saw everybody say, done, come, Trooper left.
Yeah.
You went there, because them time the Liquor Rock at
Yeah.
Mataran at, Besa DC at, Pow at, everybody at. Mighty
Everybody.
Crown, a defending champion.
The defending champion.
They win 99.
Aye. But she show me kill them in July.
You have the upper hand on them already.
Everybody has to know. Them, all the Jara fans, them, sorry, we're losing confidence, you know. That Mighty Crown dance when me kill Mighty Crown, you know. Build up at the Jara fans and confidence. They say, yes,
So
Jara, somebody can play sound. So even though then we say in their mind, you know, well, it may be not the level as Trooper, but he can defend the sound. And he know if he deal, he know if he manage the sound. And he know the sound, he know the song.
The box.
All right. Hey, in every way, and maybe, Chin maybe not gonna like this, you know. But you know what I say, until today, have you ever seen a clip of that Royal Clash?
No.
Okay. Have you ever seen a clip of every other Royal Clash?
Every other one.
All right. So then if you go further upon the part there. So you see me get beaten in a hard angle.
Back for the dance, so
you not find that, man. Me look for that for me tired too, man. You're not gonna find that. Me never see it yet. That come like it not come out.
Yeah.
Never come out. That not come out.
So, but after you now reintroduce yourself to the people with the New York Clash, you went on the world stage now and do something where even one of the dinosaur World Clash still haven't done. Became a World Clash champion.
And me reach out the dance and say, me I go dead too, you know.
You were supposed to be killed.
Yeah, man, them say me I got if I tell you still in this, you see life. Boy, let me tell you something, man. You see anything God want to happen, there's no man can put them foot in front of that and stop it, you know. You see go and pop. It go and pop.
Well, I feel you can't be unfair, man.
You understand? That was my time.
Yeah, after the
I guess I know well, and I like me go there because a Jara saw me I go. Me go with me game plan. Yeah. Enough ready me go there go boss so my boss sang there too.
Your boss is Cecilia.
Alright. A lot of people are going like me and there's enough more song when me I go and get me I go give some history about them say but enough song me put out a road there too, you know.
Yeah.
Where me
push it.
Yeah. But other man take it up and play it and then say the man there.
Bossy.
But as a life go, but me not make them think they be a bother to me.
Yeah. And what you did with that World Clash is really and truly re-establish what Jaro as a killing machine.
And over me do it. Over me do it, me general. That dance, I base of this year, I might come as a favorite for winning now.
Naturally.
Me can remember that dance like I know the dance because even when Look Rock and Pow drop out, you know. See? And then Mighty Crown drop out after, you know. Alright. You know, say. No, before Mighty Crown drop out, one sound for drop out, you know. 4 sound of corner, 3 sound of make a tune for tune, you know.
Right.
Right? So me, base of this, Mighty Crown and Mataran left back in the dance. And I made the last somebody I play now. Mataran shoot first, then Mighty Crown, then base of this.
Then you.
Remember, you know, when base of this done play for them round, you know. I can remember it like yesterday, you know. Nobody never see a sound split up a dancer yet, you know. When Squingy split up that, alright, let me tell you this. When Squingy all are playing last song, me still not around the sound yet, you know. Because I never know what me I go play.
Yeah.
Me don't know what me I go play. I just turn up and I watch what I go on. You know, when we grow on the sound, or when Squingy put on the mic and say, last thing is what I'm going to follow and say, make me so somebody grow on that you know. And he put on the mic and walk off. And the dance still a bus.
Yeah.
The dance still a bust when the man put on the mic. I know the place not quiet, the people and still I make nice to show you how the man dominate the place. I may just walk around the sun, I may just go send the record back, in the dub box and take up, I may come up so. I try a die come in on my antenna, sir. I may put it, I may say, I play this. And the crowd I make nice, I may say dance, just start and the crowd I make nice. And I made them I make nice, I know. I base of this, forward the dance, the nice and still I make fine. I may say dance, just start. And the people here, try, what them I do? And me say, what them I try? That at the momentum when I ride pan. That forward the base as you left there, me not bother it, I hit me ride. I mean, from me catch that with you know, man, you know stop and you just grow higher and higher. And me say, super cat. I can show you this appointment, jump on some boy, you come and stuff return. It's when super cat murder that. And you yeah, pull it up. When me turn on and look so, scrungy every rock and he go so. And me say, super cat again, and super cat say, warning, watch out, make we calm down. I done, man. 3 sack, me play about 4 super cat, you know. Back I wanted that straight and done the whole dance, you know. Still the whole dance. I hold for people saying, I'll chupa see me I go dead. Him did I dance too, you know.
Chupa was in the dance, man.
Yeah, man. Well, you know, all me know.
Major mackerel.
And you know, say Chupa is a man. Me see Chupa in I dance, you know. Can't build me confident in I dance, you know, but just
go. Spoke to him before.
Yeah, man. Somebody call me over the side of the stage and I go over there and the man say, yo, Chupa say you want to talk to him, I go over there. And Chupa say you're good. And I say, yeah, man. Him say, you sure you're good? Me say, yeah, man. And all him and Johnny from Bodyguard, 2 of them tell me the same thing.
Oh, okay. Oh, Johnny was there as well.
Johnny was there. And Chupa tell me, Chupa was the first one tell me, say, yo, just don't worry yourself, man. Just watch where the people have a ball forward for and watch where them not ball forward for. And for sure you select a great selector think of mine, you know. Johnny up on the stage at night time and Johnny called me and said, yo, don't worry yourself, just watch where people have a ball forward for. And watch where them not ball forward for and ride off of that. So him tell me the same thing. So when Chupa even tell me that, it build my confidence. It build my confidence so good for no say boy and come and, you know, tell me something like that.
I support the thing.
Yeah. So, but when it clash down, I'm going to the crowd now. Major Mackerel say, because Major Mackerel bet for me and I say, oh, Freddie, I got kill him, you know. And he said, Chupa said, Freddie, I got dead. So Freddie, I got dead. But Chupa just tell himself so the caliber dancer bigger than me. And the giant they want me to go buck up in and out still. And
but you would have killed everybody there before.
None of that. I don't
know if they play liquor, but I know you kill Paul before.
I kill Paul before.
You kill Base of this. I know you kill Mighty Crowd.
I kill all of them before. I kill Mataran before.
I know you kill Maggi. So you can't manage that now. I don't get that either.
Maybe I tell him, but yeah, no, him don't know my preparation on me have what me do still. You understand? But the style when me have different from Chupa, not. Chupa we talk enough and kill the momentum. Like him we just bust the place and get a big forward and then come and talk and then kill the forward there because you talk too much, talk too long. So you kill the forward, so you have to play back the song and you have to play a different song to build back on the forward. Me not do that. Me believe in us when me ride pan a wave
momentum
and it a go on. Me just want to add more and more and more.
Man, non-stop,
yes.
Man.
So me not bother give a whole heap of speech. At this moment, me no need to give a whole heap of speech. Me just need to just push fire. And me tune and talk, I tune and bad. So me no, what else me I go do?
Well, the man a world champion. So congratulations, man. Out of the blue man, the underdog man.
The underdog man. Well, then say everybody say me I got dead man. Shock everybody.
As I say enough man say them a giant select about it and then have the trophy there.
Then have no world title underneath them belt.
But and as I say that now, so you won 2000. Why the Sound never go defend them title 2001?
Alright. The sound did for going, like if you notice the flights is print with Jaro upon it.
Oh, I never know that still.
Yeah, it did, yeah. But him now and Chin and them and Jara have them look difference.
Oh.
And some boss and promoter that me not involved.
Me
not involved in it, so that kind of stop. That's why we never we not
But
get
I'm
to
sure
go.
you didn't do and go.
Me not have a problem for going to dance. I mean I champion, so me not have a problem. But have them now have them thing a settle and what fi settle and you understand? I guess them never bring freedom thing in the public. Why it happen or why I'm not go sell. So it's not up to me to bring that.
Yeah, man. I respect that, man. Totally,
it's not up to me to bring that in the public. Totally. They never bring it to the public, so it's not under my decision to bring it in the public.
Some high-profile victories after the World Clash was War in the East. I think that was 2001. I think that was with Black Cat. I think it was in New Jersey. Black Cat, Twin Tower, and Poison Dart. Big clash that.
Well, I win a big clash before me even got the one Friday night before.
Which one?
And Downbeat and Bodyguard in a warehouse.
Oh.
That the Friday night.
Cool,
and the Saturday night. Yeah.
Big dance that too.
Yeah, man.
And who was playing Bodyguard at the time? Links?
Johnny. Johnny that played.
Cool. Yeah.
Man, me beat out of
I never know about the dancers still.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Me beat out of the life out of them, man.
Yeah.
So I got left there so the Saturday night and got Jersey go play at the clash there.
I think you kill Pow in Germany as well. That was after or before World Clash?
Before
World Clash.
Yeah.
Okay. You were the one who took the sound to Africa.
Yeah, man.
Where you go down there?
We go Kenya with me and Ninja Food was there.
Okay.
Yeah. Chronicle was there, Zareb and Gregory Isaac.
Cool ruler.
Yeah, man.
Cooler, man.
You know, it was a massive tour.
Must have been nice, man.
Yeah, man. There's some great event down there, man. People push down place, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You deserve that.
Still go down there 2 more times.
You heard that. I know you mentioned Downbeat and Bodyguard just now, but there was a European event with Jaro, Downbeat, Sentinel, Black Cat.
Yeah. Oh, that was the second clash on the European side for Jaro.
You won that?
Yeah, man.
Okay. That's Don't know you win 45 shootout with Supersonic. But I think that was as Freddie. That wasn't
as Freddie. That wasn't as Jaro.
That was as Jaro.
Yeah.
All right. So the Jaro journey, as you have detailed, was challenging, in some cases rough, difficult.
Yeah, but it make you be strong still, you know?
Yeah, and they said that we said this, you would have, I don't know if it was left first or you were suspended, then you went back, and then you left. What is the situation around the Jaro exit?
Well, I wouldn't look, I did think I suspended, you know. But
the first one,
I think it played out like it was suspended, but in the long run, you have to just use your brain and know, so I'm not suspended this, you know.
Put two and two together.
You know, so this is not a suspended. What really happened still, you know, because I think that was my error, you know.
Oh.
It was my fault.
How you do?
All right. I think that was 2003, you know.
Oh, okay.
I think it was that. Yeah, I think it was 2003. Before that was 2002. Yeah, the first part of 2003 and something. I end up, I lose my visa.
Oh.
Because of the sound, my personal visa.
Because of the sound?
Yeah. No. And from them time, you know, me kind of look upon life different, you know. See, but I'm still, I've been soft-hearted, you know. But I lose my visa because of the sound and thing. Because them say the permit them file for the sound. And when we go up to the embassy, them say the person who file the permit now paying a tax in America. So, them consider that as fraud. It was 4 hours ago there. When I reach, me are the last person going there, reach there, you know. And when I reach, I go in, the man, the officer said to me, say, well, you cannot grant me this visa. So I say, what's the problem? What happened? So he said, the person who filed this him not paying any tax. So them classes are fraud, they are fraud the
Fraud,
government.
right,
Fraud the
they
government.
fraud the government.
So him have to deny
The visa
the
application.
visa and then him have to revoke my personal visa also. I lose it right there and things so. Right away, I think if they jump on it and use liar exactly right away.
Right.
It would have played out a better way. But you know, them I think they maybe sit down on it too long and the man of foreign them there who do Jara or something them all while. I think him a linger and him I don't know, I don't know what them a do cause me just a selector. Who is me for you understand?
Right.
So me not have such talk and me not have such power and me then know me never know which angle what to turn and what to do nothing and what to do that back then them time. I mean, you understand me? So me have to just chill and I wait upon them if do what them a do. No, they never do not work right. They not do the right thing. So it's like me there. So eventually I end up get another new selector up on the sound, which is Genius in pass and gone.
Oh, Gina. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So me is there, Genius is there, Hype is there, and another selector named Crazy. So I kind of realize, because I'm a youth always, as I tell them, I'm a man just humble and just sit back and I watch every game play out. You know. That's how the thing with me. When everybody up front and talk, and so me not talk. Me just build back and watch. And watch all movements. So Genius are the juggler upon his own now, you know, because I'm a juggling and I'm a going on. You know, I'm a going them thing and people like how I'm a play. Because I'm him guy Europe and him something too. So I realize now, say, come like, them put them part one side like I'm a whole tire piece of truck, you know? It's like, if song fi cut, and me up and down, and everybody that them yard sleep, you know. So these are the things Trooper go through, you know, why Trooper behave them way, where Trooper have to react them way, they have to bring it back to that level, you know. Because after a while, that is how me realize it. So me go through the same thing where Trooper that go through, where him never there talk and tell nobody. Sorry, until me come out and speak out what happened between me and him and he maybe feel a way about it, you know, so I said that and people maybe I bash him. So he explain himself to me, say, boy, Freddie, why I'm there to do that and do that because of him. You get me? I really understand that. You see me, so I bleach when everybody, I bleach all hours, 3:30, 4 o'clock, me da a soda bleach for artists, you know. Then time I'm not even drive, you know. I have to wait till a taxi around 5 o'clock a man.
Come back on the road.
If you come back on the road, you know. If you get a drive, you come on my yard, you know. After I left through there, you know. I mean, 1 and 2 times, you know. Weeks and months on top of months, and me alone I do that, you know. Sometimes half I sang them a Jara and I know how them come by now. And you sang them, you know. Beg artist sang to, you know. Him know them come by. So I say, I said them a deal. Oh, I don't like how them a deal with me. Let's get mad one day, man. I say, because them time them get selected for the year of Europe already.
Oh, cool, man.
Yeah, man. I be there, me there, you know, every top magazine, dancehall magazine, me there, and the whole of them. So I say, you know what? So when I move, I go play 2 dance, you know. Alright, and I broke my want money, you know.
Oh.
See? So I go so I book 3 dance over there. And I just go. But him know me I go before me left here, you know. Him hear already, so me
Oh,
I go.
he heard, okay.
He heard, so yeah. So, and when I select, I know. But the selector not tell me. When I select, I know, so me I go in and select and I tell me neither, you know. And him know. Just goes off to show you how people work. I mean, I say, when me do it right, you know.
Yeah.
It was wrong, you know, but...
Okay, if you take sound, booking and nice sound,
yeah,
we can't take right out.
Yeah, me can't take right. Me wrong.
Son.
But when I say now, as a co-worker, and you know, say, you shouldn't say, boy, Freddie, here I go. No,
boss, no, you can't bother go.
No bother go. Just be like, better, I'll tell him, because I know. You know? So
yeah,
he just go. So
I agree with that.
Yeah,
true.
so he just goes over show, say, a man, I say, boy, I'm a co-worker. I'm a done. If you step in the one, if you make a step,
so you can fill your space.
Aye. But anyway, me end up go still and here same day in my rat. And by the time before me reach back here, me have a record box on the sound and me carry like me have a personal record box.
Okay.
And carry it and left it on my yard. Drop it off on my yard there, so. See? I come back and them down and dance. Up in a Belmont to play and I go. I go to the dance and I stand up and I dance. I don't play the song, I just go to turn up. Because I don't hear everything when I go on already. Right. But I not, you know, so I just go and turn up. It's Saturday night, so the Monday now I gone, so I just go, I go check him the Monday. Go up there and see them and I say, boy, what me do? I go there, honestly, I go there with all the money when I play for the dance. I go there with it, you know.
Oh.
Because I get paid for the dance already, I go there with the money, and if $1 I don't spend out of it, you know. And I go there with it. Because I don't know, so I find out already. Right. So I say, you know what?
If anything.
See
food I'm offer.
Yeah. So I go with the money. I go with the money. But you see, as I tell you, say, I did the wrong still, you know, but still at the same time, you know, Jara don't like a fool.
No, I don't like that.
No, Jara don't like fool. So, me did not have a look back with the money. And me and him sit down there talk and he say, where you sang them there? So I give him them because I look see. I look song me take because I juggling me juggling. So I saw some few look song and I know dub me take, you know. So I give him them. And he did and he sit down and him talk. And in the time I say, boy, in can't believe somebody something like this, I should say it to him. And I say, well, I know then, you know, they make a speech to you know. I want to tell you, say, in go down if you recall, say that come out and out. I may say it now. At first, I go say it. And say everybody company sounded Visa and I left back with Visa. I never forget that speech, you know.
So everybody company sound
without
Visa.
I want left with Visa. So that he running on my thought when I say, this is something like that. But me just build and me just, you know, me not read, you know, me not follow, me just want to know where the work relationship there with me and him now. I just that me there so I deal with right now still. Seeing? And indeed that's what me say. So we stand right now. He say, boy, he say, we have to part company and something. So I say, just like that, he say, yeah man, we have to part company. So I just hold on the bag, look at it, you know. Then if you tell me say me have a part company, why me I go share the money, give the money? You can't do that. I hold on the bag tighter, man. I mean, I know me stand right now. So I hold on the bag tighter. And then they see and hear him reach and he say, boy, yeah man, I eat that and rare and something. So we have a part company, I say. So I just start thinking of it and I said, then after all of what me do for this sound, so much years, and one time, just one time, you step out of line. Remember, I never say me right, you know.
You admit
say me wrong. And I step out of line one time, and you're going to use that and crucify me and kill a million good way me do. Jaja no star. So funny said that, I just walk out, see how here. And he said that, I just, so what me I go do? Can't do nothing. Just walk out and months on top of months. Because him not link me now, me I link him now. Because I remember saying, him not have to link me still.
Right.
But me owe the obligation to link him because it's me messed up.
Fair enough.
Yeah, so one time I link him and I ask him where I go on and something and he say, boy, you know, when a man get a cut, it take a while to heal. And I say, all right, boss. I'm allow it. Then I see it I get from bad to worse. Because I remember saying to my lad, I have my house now. I have mortgage to pay. You with them go to school. Them have to go to school. How it go? Call him back one next day again, you know. Then say I want to chat to him. Meet me right down at Twin Gate Plaza there, so I meet him. And so I say, what go on for me here right now? And I say, boy, everything remain the same, you know. We're just there, but I just say the same, you know. So I say, boy, boss, you can't just sit down so I can remember some of the bills to pay and I pick them at gas school and I have house to deal with, you know. I have bills to pay. So I go and do something in the meantime. Tell me I go and play some music in the meantime. They're ready. And I say, he said, I don't see nothing wrong with that. Go and do it. So when you tell me that, I know, say, you understand? So therefore now, the same rhythm clash with me win.
45 shootout.
No, Rhythm Magazine.
Oh, really? Okay.
When we win a Europe.
Europe.
Yeah. it reach back in the following year, you know.
Okay.
Same year when that it clash go on, you know. Since so when the people don't call him for the clash now or something. People don't call me first. To find out if everything alright. I said to them, say everything good, man. So then call him. So then call him and tell him, say yes, and can get the date. But I may come. I must say hype and genius. So then call and tell me back. These people are people with me associate with.
Right,
You know?
right.
You understand? And these people are people who have respect for me. And then say, to owe me to the standard where them have me as in Europe and to owe me deal with them. Them I say them they never expect say somebody like me in the caliber that would deal with them so nice and easy and you know, deal with them like a family. Then come and when they come around me just offer them what you want to eat, what you want to. I remember saying I'm just offer them so like one up they like one happy family. So I say, boy, they never say nobody never deal with them that way yet. And the first artist and from Jamaica come and treat and deal with them that way. So them say, boy, I'm a good person. See, so them said to me, say, listen. So they say, what you going to do? And I say, well, when I say, what you going to do? I say, well, I'm going to start play some music for my own, you know, with my name, you know. And then say, as FREDDIE KRUEGER, I said, yes. And then say, all right then, give you 1 week and let me get back to you. I said, okay. In a week time, then call me back and them say, they're going to a meeting. And the company decided, say, they're going to use me instead of the sound. Because this is all, you know, just with how you deal with people, you know. And because they don't have me bigger than Jara, you know. But it's how you treat people. This is what carry me through, you know. Is how you treat people, you know. So them tell me straight up, say, the type of person is, and then see the type of person is a humble youth, and is a nice youth, and me deal with people good. So, them are going to invest the money in me. So them rather use me. So them are going to pay me the same money where they want to pay Jaro, they're going to pay me that money. So me start cut song, you know. The first money that me get, you know. Start cut song for my one, you know. And the same year, me enter in a that before it's on a rare clash. Yes, again. And then we get a money from them to feed that clash and a damn money them we put together.
And then we can get two of them clash there.
And start cut tune. And then nevertheless, you know, artists now go beat me bad with a pride.
Yeah, because
and them give me enough free song too. Enough song artists give me. Because of the respect.
We can get some of that too.
You understand? So, I saw me end up start, guys. I saw me just take on Europe. You understand? I'm go there. Me never win that clash when me go still, you know. Me end up Chupa the guy clash too.
Oh.
Yeah, Chupa the guy clash too. Me, Chupa, One Love, and Supersonic. I think a Supersonic win that dance.
Okay, cool, man.
Yeah, Supersonic win that one. Yeah, but me do.
Where was your first step out?
Yeah,
as FREDDIE KRUEGER.
Yeah, in a major clash pan international scene with a dub plate thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but me did well, but me just never win.
Right.
But me, but me give God thanks for the, you know.
And it was a start.
It was a start, you know. That was a great start because a lot of selectors never get a start like that. So, you understand? So that was it, and then me I play for about 2-3 years for my own. And I play my music every year. Me go to Europe for 3-4 times for the year. Me I go to Europe. You understand? So that's so me make on that side there.
To build a name.
Me build my name. There's no selector have a bigger name than me over Europe. None of them will say that. None of them will hear about them are dance out. None of them name the big like me on the European side. None of them. Where sit back the side where I go on. None of them name the stand out like mine. None of them. From Brazil to Colombia, none of them. Because none of them never been there neither.
Eventually, you end up back at Jara, though.
Eventually, I end up back there, boy. That will show you your life funny. Life is so funny, you know. I end up at Jaro and park my thing.
Oh.
You see your life, hey, that's why it's still, you know.
Is that different? You would still in FREDDIE?
Hey, let me tell you, before me even end up back at Jaro, when me left, because I said, boy, I'm not afraid to talk, you know. A brother booked me out of St. Thomas. Me, Jaro and Jamrock. Saying, I want to go out of Marantby and go up in our bush. And when we go, I know
like
so.
Trinityville side.
Yeah, man, up the side there, man. You know, so when I reach up there, my lord. When a Jara selector look for me and say, Freddie, don't go play on Jara sound, you know. Jara said, anyway you come on this one, I'm going to lock you off by your dance. And I look for the selector and I say, I feel lock you off, make me see, you know. But I hit me a play pan. Because me I tell myself, so if me if go play pan Jamrock sound, I'm going to say then,
Right, go Freddie and play
and
pan
Jara.
Jara. Right.
Man, you know. So, he would say, all right, and just tell me, which one, I'm grateful for him telling me still, but me have to see that for myself. Because I say, am my fault why me end up not have a work on the sound.
Right.
So at the same time, I say, me not look and say me and him have anything. Because business, him fire me and I just say go. Me move on and I do look a thing for myself. And I like say, me never must have got tell him say me I got do it, but me did tell him. And him I say there's nothing wrong with that. So now me I do it for myself. So me get a look of dance out there so with you now I'm never gonna play. Me think happy for me then when me go by the first song me play, man, the man come and look off the sound for me and I make like dance then. Right. The man lock off the song and me I say, him I say, if a man I respect him, so if he just come play upon him sound just so, without asking. Yeah man, that the man say man so, it's like, remember,
Why Freddie your face it,
he dance ram, you know. And then like the crowd know what I go on it, so they, but, you know,
right.
so I just Jamrock you them when they on the side and I realize and say, I go on. And see, them, you know, them pick up first. And then the crowd pick up and say the crowd and say, left the youth make youth play, man, loud the youth. And I saw, in turn and back his sound, you know. And then the momentum cut and the voice
Naturally.
cut. Yeah, so I just
don't write that stuff for the voice cut.
me play about 10 more minutes and just stop. I'm going to play back for the rest of the night, my general. I tell you see me, I never yet tell nobody that, you know. I first me talk it, you know, talk that out, you know. Saying, and then, God bless me, see me and make me go and do my things, see me and make me can feed my family and me can pay my bills, them, see me, you know. Me get my work them in Europe and me get some work in Canada and, you know, and a few more places. And I go on, seeing, then, me not play much in Jamaica. But I play more overseas. Because I tell you,
frequent flyer.
So I stamp myself in the European side as a quint. 3-4 times I tour, I get 5, 6, 7 dance each time I go.
Nice. You deserve that much, my boss.
You understand?
Yeah,
so
man.
that side, so just thank God, say boy, they open that side, they door upon that side for me. Until to the day, my brother, it a go on same way.
But you still not tell me how you end up back at Jara.
No, me I go tell you now. Me end up park my machine and.
So him reach out to you?
Yeah man, after.
Or you link him back?
No man, after remember say from all them link me when me start my thing, me no bother link him back. Me just do my thing. You understand? Just do my thing till when me reach back I saw enough people, enough artists I say boy Freddie, wrong thing that I do, you know. But I pay for learning, you know, whole heap of time. Alright, that's what I did. And I said to you there, so. And he called my phone one December. Think about 2006. And he called my phone in December. And the phone ring about 3 times the phone ring before me answer it, you know. Because I decide it and I say, I say, I not answer. Till I finally answer. And I answer him, I say, Freddie, where I go on there? I say, I'm there in a boss. Because I still show my respect still. It's still as a boss. Yeah. I say, I'm there in a boss. And I say, everything all right? And I say, yeah, man. And I say, boy, I there in a look difficulty, you know. And I say, what I'm telling him, I say, in the St. Mary or Natabia, I play. And I call the whole I selected them, every selector 4.5. Right now, I take a promoter money and I dance the sound and, you know. But I did that, I say. All right, boss. And I jump in my car. And drive to St. Mary. Took up my pouch, throw in my car and drive to St. Mary and Natabia. right in front of the police station that's up on the beach side.
You know exactly how, man.
Yeah, man. I'm reach on there. I'm going to bomb and park up and I sit on up on the sound and play. Time I shake me head and I say, Jano, feel me now. You know, because a big man still I see, you understand me? I say, Jaja no star. And without even having a reaction, because all the things that happen to me, me not even, those things blank out of my brain. Because if I was somebody who think them type of way there, I wouldn't even end up reach. You understand? But me not use them thing there against nobody. Not because you do me that, so that means that me I go do it back. No, I not stay them way there. You understand? So me just go down and take over his son. I'm there from about 7 o'clock till 7 in the morning. I alone stand up around that and I play it. And in the morning, he said to me, say, boy, Freddie, I tell you the truth, I don't know what to do right now because all the day and the whole I dance, go right back till January. Seeing, and he take a promoter them money, and I did there. I said, Jano. And I said, tell you what. I go play out the dancing for the holiday affair, but just go and look somebody in the meantime. And he said, all right, I appreciate that. And by the time I don't play the whole I dance, you know. Jara get the selectors. In the January, about the 8th of January, the man Stone over played on a jungle. George Pang birthday. Yeah, and if I go down to go play in sound. I know when I go down there. I go down there, in buck up on the truck driver who used to drive his son for me now. And that truck driver, they tell him, say, don't fire Freddie, you know. Yes, I have to go. Remember, me tell him, fire Freddie, I have to go back for him. And the driver tell him, say, me tell you never did to fire Freddie. I say, if you not go for him, you have to call him back. Anyway, me did there and I did I play the song. And he not tell me just hear, saying, say, boy, I'm not busy with Freddie and the song, and I'm not trouble him with it, you know. I'm not put nobody around it for umpire. I just left him, make him alone, just go and do him and do the song. And I say sound down, you know. And I take it back, you know, man, and I rise it up back, you know. And I rise it up back, you know. The following year for that Irish and Chin them again keep a World Clash on my being.
The 2012 World Clash?
Yeah, I think
you're going to lose to base of this 2012.
I go and tell you what, yeah, that dance base of this win. By mistake, you know. I go and tell you what, that dance, you know. I tell Jara to take a dance and Jara say, nah, take it. Say, nah, play. I beg him to take him, I beg him. He said, all right then, I hear a friend them, you go and go play for them.
Oh, so my Irish, my Chin still not good?
No, him talk to them, see when, but him said, since I me want to go.
Okay, if I go.
So me fi go. So him carry son gas, Manchester go play, and me alone and God go down there, you know.
Down Pier 1?
Yeah. When me up on my way, I go down and I did a man run to me and I say, oh, my ped don't live down the way here. So I pick up my phone and I call my ped and I say, my ped where you there? He say, you know, so me do us up on the roadside, sit down. Right out a rock. And I just pull up on him foot and I say, so what you do? I say, no, I do nothing much. And I say, come and go up here one. Come mix some song for me.
Ped the son?
Yeah, me bring him back. I say, come mix some song for me. And he come. When we reach on there, Chin and I think two of them time the police them that go and wicked the curfew thing. So them say the police give them till 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock, something like that. So till the amount of sound up and then say, all right then, anybody who win the first 3 rounds automatically win the clash. I say, what? I forgot go hard then, you know. I remember me telling you, so basically so them ask them, nobody no come nowhere near me in the first 3 rounds. It's when the first 3 rounds done, and I say clash done now, come win. Me easy, you know. police they must give them 1 more hour. Me never know that. So then change the ball game for me in I dance now.
Right.
You understand? But me never know that. Oh, me if you know that. Unu don't tell me say who would so unu should even if you change the ball game, unu shouldn't say yeah, now one next one I go play but Jara don't win the dance already. Because that's what that I want to state to the people I'm already. So they change the ball game. So after me play so hard, because you know say yes I who the first round, you know. So you know me I got pressure around them and play hard. So he end up then get the next hour so them good on and then say tune. So, in the tune now, base of this win. Get one up there with a friend Jimmy Cliff.
You know Jimmy Cliff, bro.
Yeah, but a sport still. But yeah, no. Me no feel a way so base of this win get the like I them get the title, you know.
Change I think.
But I just change the thing it mess me up. So me can't cause base of this them a bex with base of them about that, you know, because I know them make the decision, you know.
To be promoter.
Yes. So you know, but at the same time, I just know such a sport and that's how you go. A game change for me and he catch me.
But you did well for go down in a tune for the same way, brother.
Then
having not sit down and plan for the clash.
I may tell you something. It's one of the best things ever happened to Jara from that day until today day. Until when me left then. Till when me get fire again. Believe you me. You know, yeah. Because from that, even though you see a basis get the trophy, a Jara get the whole eye dancing. Jara playing non-stop.
Basis is play non-stop to still.
No, I'd like the year. No, basis ever play, but me mean say.
Out of the event.
Yeah, out of that event.
They would have benefited more.
Jara benefit out of that event than basis by far.
Or is it because Jara never really do as well as it could have been doing? It look like them do better than basis out of the event.
No. That event, let me tell you something. You see that event is one. Make people that event make people say, cause everybody, most of the people in France are Jara win the dance, you know. But anyway, basis have a trophy.
Basis get the trophy.
But a Jara win the dance, a Jara take the dance. So at the end of the day, we still win the most round.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, so the spectator they would have left with that. So here comes basis I keep the anniversary. So I don't know what the routine was about still, but Jara ended up on it. So it was Jara, basis and Stone Love. Down a state, not even state one, on a CLM lighthouse, right? The lighthouse. Yeah, them keep the anniversary. 3 sound. Them have a stage in there, you know. And the only man that go up on the stage, we stay up on the ground. Basis and Stone Love up on the stage. Ask them. If you want to go in at the dance, you know, somebody have to come out for you go in, you know. Full. Trust me. Them will tell about a dance like that.
Yeah.
Them can't tell about a dance. Ask them, man. Ask them where me dominate that dance and deal with it. But when me done with it, people say, when you see how they win World Clash. When you see Jara, the man.
Yeah.
I lost everybody in a base of this anniversary. From base of this Stone Love, none of them saw me walk. Non-stop. And a clash still, you know.
Me know.
We just play hard. We not clash or we not cuss, we not, you know, and we just play music and play hard. But I tell them, man, at the end of the night, I hear him say, yes, so me tell him, say, a jar them have to use. And that hear so me tell him, you know, say, a jar so them have to use, you know. Me tell them, you know. You see it? So that now build the momentum for Jara again. You see for the whole of the year there? Yeah. Almost every dance a Jara and bass of this I play. Everywhere Jara and bass of this. Everywhere you turn Jara and bass of this. Right Jara till. And then him decide say boy them I forget the next because then say boy I for find somebody to help me. So some youth I kind of inquire about that, about work and thing and I want to work and him I say I want to take nobody and I want to do that, you know. So he come with one youth now and him I say boy youth I say him have youth G Snoop.
Oh, okay.
I said G Snoop used to play sound trooper to win a trooper sound.
Oh.
So he must say I really want to take on nobody from trooper sound. Still kind of want man trooper have nothing. And I say things I understand, but he must say the youth to have him Instead of having kids them to go school some more time, they don't like come on, they don't like to come on a holiday time when you can. So I said, Jara, nothing wrong with that. So for that, him says, still, you can help him out, help him out. Because we know we all away have you kids, so you understand, so I couldn't. I tell him, so don't help a youth like that who want to look out for him kids, them, you know?
Naturally.
Yeah. So, he take on the youth and thing. And the youth dead there. But any time man choop off, you have hell car choop a Bex. But, you know, but I just choop at that. So, after a while, he cool down still, you know? And sitting. So, the youth dead and he must say, he say, I'm going to fire the youth. He say, I'm going to let go the youth. He say, I'm fire because he must say, boy, he want somebody who can talk to.
Oh, okay.
Because through the youth is a juggler, he can juggling and bad, you know? And I said, Jara, oh man. I start come and dance little late. That means I have to take him mic and talk. And so I start come and dance and park up in my car and the youth did that play till he start make some 1 and 2 talk and think till the youth versatile. I love for making talk and everything, but I tell you one of the bodies he can mix, him wicked.
Yeah, Billy back the machine, brother.
See? Then when up before that we even get a juggler named Tariq,
Yeah,
DJ Tariq. Him, the boy can't talk like him in another juggling, you know. I'm the man, you know. And then through the youth I can mix up.
Team of Bill.
So the team of Bill. So we have a next selector now named Tico. So what really happen now, this is how it's going on. More time if Tico come, Tico and Tariq do the juggling part. Me and G Snoop do the more. You understand? But if Tico no come now, me can manage myself on the hardcore part, and then Tariq and G Snoop angle the juggling part. Can the boy can't juggle like G Snoop, and Tariq just a fine speech. And we have the wickedest team. It basically, one time we and basically see buck up, you know. Basically see no problem, you know. Every time, you know. Them are the juggling sound, you know.
True.
But we are the juggler now. So, I just spread the glue. Them, I tell you who they get for. Who they get that? I never feel more. But during the time then, you know, we have the juggling team. We are one of the wickedest juggling team, you know. I saw basically start recruit till them end up with spread the glory, you know. I spread the glory was the only route to then get after we come close. But he still couldn't catch a 4 team. At Jara, they have one of the baddest juggling team. Remember me tell you that. Until he start mess up again. Because I know me mess up, you know. I never first start the ratatan, you know. And then now it look like say me, you know, I'm the bad apple.
Alright, I'm going to throw a little spanner and I spoke and I still because you know I kind of pay attention to your sound system thing. And I've seen conversations that suggest that Wayne Lonesome played a role in you being fired from the sound the second time.
I wouldn't say him play a role, you know, because anything we do on a Wayne Lonesome make me do it.
Okay. People are of the view that that's how it go do.
I don't think, no, I would never put that blame on him because a man free to ask me all right to say yes or no. So I would say him play a role. But me, because of film event, why me and Jara fire me?
Because I guess the word is that he wanted you to come and play his sound.
No, that was.
I've seen that section of the conversation as well.
Right, but that conversation that I see, not gossip. That was a lie. I can tell you because I mean it happened to, so me know.
Right.
You understand? Alright. Me can tell you what Wayne Lonesome tell me. See, because Jara really tell me nothing still. You know?
Okay.
So, me not hear Jara side of the story. He never in the reach to this of it. I think to me, he passed that stage already. For him, did say something to me.
Okay.
He make it that stage part. Because you can't have me and say as a front runner for your sound. And then, your sound cylinder, so you're free to make all decisions you want, make cylinder, but at the same time you still have to have you still show me some respect.
Right.
Show me say you respect me. But you're not show me that none at all. You tell yourself a few things, so you do what you want to do. Alright. Remember this, you know. This is how me can lay it out on the table just the way it is and how me see it. Is that not maybe be the right way in his sight, you know?
Right, fair
but
enough.
In my eyesight. This is how me see it. All right. Remember, you know, me not have a US visa, you know. Me not got a US. Me have a Canadian visa. Right? You have G Snoop on the sound, and you have DJ Tarek on the sound. You have Tico, you have them on the sound. So we there and we there do the good work. You have a youth now in the state named Problem trying to play the sound. Because me not have an American visa, and then he might get some dance in a state, so he might say, he not take on a big dance, but if he get on two local juggling dance and them something there, he just take them and make Problem Sean through Problem Sean live in a state. He make the youth go and play them local juggling dance of him. You're not bringing an extra food. Me not see nothing wrong with that still. No, when me find a fault with now, in me go to Canada and I go play. And we go to September. See? And when me go, me see the dance I promote. Or we alone some I go keep. Me see it, you know, before Jara even say it to me, you know. And I know we alone so me see it with, you know. But me see him and the promoter. I never see him when me go to Canada go play that time.
Right.
But me see everything since I saw I go play. And me said, them people are put on fire so early. So anyway, I see it and him not say nothing to me. I see it and it a boil along to the dance. And I still hear him say nothing to me about the dance neither. So I say, Jara not have to send me still, but I think say, if you get the look at you, them a break. If you mean I go better and send to the youth, right. Show them the love there to make them say, boy,
a good vibe that too.
You understand? Yeah. Me never say it to him, you know. Me only say it to myself. So me there and me say, when me check a stop now, me get a call from Wayne Lund, some a different thing he call me about, you know. And then he might say, boy, Freddie, you me the one time me dancing about Jara, say you book out. I say, I mean me book out. I say, boy, I 3 date me ask Jara and Jara say you book for them dance already. He say, me don't know nothing about that, you know. I say, am I there hungry? No, you get me mad now. Well, no. Me not have to hide nothing and talk, you know. Me can't tell you, you know. My insurance for my car up, my license for my car up, and you go tell a man, say, me book, if he play somewhere else. And my car and the license not insured. I remember saying, the only time you see a money, you can get you see a change, you know, pan a son when you go far. Because I'm a boy not afraid to talk, you know, because I'm a big man, I'm a boy, you know. $8,000 Jara pay me a night, you know. 8,000 Jamaican dollars, all of them big dance where you see me up win. All of you see me, I got $8,000 Jara pay me a night, you know. I mean, a ball, you know. And that can't play my bills, them. I mean, I complain. Me make sure I go far and go play for myself. And my dancer when I go play for myself, pay my bills, them. I not complain, I'm not grateful, you know. Enough time, Jara play a some country. By the time I buy gas put in my car, my general, $6,000. I go dance, I still have to eat. I have to buy food. If I want one Guinness, I have to buy it. If I'm a spectator and I buy one, give me. So how much me go with now, my brother? A big killer man Jara I play, you know. I not complain, you know. One time I see one look for me and say, boy, Freddie, I deserve to get more than this still, you know. But I not get it. I deserve to get it, but I not get it. And I not complain. And if Jara so have one date at Jamaica and somebody call me a friend for come play one dance, I not going. I stay at Jamaica and play Jara sound. So I make all these sacrifices and we are sacrificing me. You understand what I mean? I not say all this glitter and gold, but come on, man.
So I want to ask you one question still, because I process $8,000, you know. Which year this we are talking about?
When I left Jara sound, $8,000 me I get in the last half year. I think I get more. I show more time I hold on some things. When I tell the troopers, the troopers can't believe it. No man can't believe that. At that me I get Panchara, so I'm not afraid to talk. Because me go through it and me feel all I things. But you know, you say more time, you see true people not hear me talk on things. People talk all them. Me see enough things, you know. People say me this, then say me that, all the point, all problem shall me see friend take you up and start about me greedy and me this and me that. And him know half of what me I go through. I'm in every year Jara and I say nothing about that. If you say, Sean, you can't make a friend and do them something, and I say them something, and me just easy, and me just stay easy. And just build and make it blow off and gone. You see me?
I see you.
So, the amount of things I go, me when I last with pan Jara sound, forget Jara dub them pan CD, you know, pan laptop, you know. All problem Sean have them a friend pan laptop before me. When me put them pan laptop, Jara say, oh, me if you do that, I mean, I ask him. Me see I play a song pan laptop, you know, and say, you know. When everybody there use laptop in a CD, me I use, you know. And if me go to a road, you said me go to the song, I like say, me there, so I feel like I just play 2 songs, so 2 songs, Jara Bex, so I shouldn't do that. I said, none I selected upon the song, take Jara song. Right now, nothing, the rest I selected them, the rest one in G-Soup, him play Jara song all over the wave, whole of Jamaica. And Jara never look upon him yet and tell him say he can't do that. But if me ever do it, play one song a problem. And when me say that Jara say, boy, them can't do nothing to his son, but me are the senior man. And me, I do the whole of the hard work with son, and me, should I love, can do that. Because you answer, boy, him at the backbone of his son, you know. So anything when you say Freddie, I don't follow Freddie. But everybody else will get away with things from the son. Me not get away with nothing from that, me general. Nothing at all. If me slip, me slide. Tell me, general. Let me tell you this, man. All right. Come back to the way alone some issue. When time the man tell me, say, boy, I mean the want, and then say, but, my book. I say, my book, I'm hungry. So I carry there one life and enjoy. How do you have to tell say my book? Every day. So I just say, anytime he left Jara sound this time, I go back, you know. See, me say that out of me, but I never tell him, but I did say that. I mean, and another like me, they care when me attack. I mean, just attack from my heart and talk, because the treatment them more me I get, more me not deserve, because at the end of the day, I mean, alone seeing we I go out to my life, we go cut song for Jara, so nobody now go Jara there in bed, everybody there in them bed. And me I go do them work, my brother. Seeing, so, but me still, I'm a job me I do still, you know, so I really make that be a bother to me, you know, my dad. So, when we learn some link me and sitting, and then he started telling me, I tell him, so, no man, I don't know nothing about that, because I'm there hungry right now, I don't know money, I broke. See, I just say, boy, I say them things, and I vex. Because I feel like, I tell you the truth, and I feel away now. Saying, and he must say now, it's a problem, Sean, he must say, in the States. So I look upon it, so just that even make me vex. It's even this I know guy dance with them better for me, you know. Because I say, him be done it, because guess I know. Just imagine, the soul make me lose my visa until today. Me have Canada visa, can go to Canada anytime. And you have a man a play in a state then. I play in a state then. And then you have dance to Canada, you got to take the man from I send him over there. So where you try to show me, say, you don't rate me then neither then. You don't rate me. Are you a son? Yes. You don't rate me. You tell me say you don't rate me. So means a puppet to you. Me if you just do all your work, then when you have a son and next man, everybody else to get the glory. I mean if you there and just do the groundwork. So that means say you don't rate me. So we just sit back and just watch it play it out. Me never make the decision. I guess him here, you know, while go on, him get a load on, me never make the decision yet. You know. Him must see, as me can tell you, him must see, we alone some just call me one day. Me da Portland and the man call me and tell me, say, boy, Jara say, you know, come and dance, you know. Because he can't bother with the mix up. See? But in man say, me promote me dance long time, and me dance a promoter, I not cancel me dance. So, Freddie, me pay you if you come play. You not come play in a Jara dub. You can just play as Freddie Krueger. Come play as Freddie Krueger, because at the same type of Jara playing you're going to get, we just not go hear in a Jara dub a play. But at the same flow, you know. So he say my pay me. He send me the first deposit. Because me I go, because no man can't tell me nothing, so I go, because me there hungry and the boy enough, and him not give, so me I go do. So down here. And I realize that him not look out for me. So me have to look out for me. Because that's how he reach to me right now, you know. Him not look out for me. Because if you go send a man from America to go over there, so that means then you tell yourself you're in a business with me then. Me not for eat. So me have to start look out for me then. And any means necessary to look out for me and my family, me have to do it. Seeing so, when some call me and he send a deposit, come give me, say, boy, come play a dancing. We get the deposit. 3 days before the dance, cause like me left the Wednesday. The Tuesday, him and Jara must catch up. Cause Jara must put up on the internet say, you see this dance being promoting and him don't know nothing about it. It's a fraud dance. Him a whale on some, not him, whale on some company, because you know him is a man, him not do the internet. He not no film style, that. Him not do that. Them principal man, they say. Him not really do them things there. So whale on some, because him maybe put up that on the internet, so him don't know not boy dance. Whale must go up on it and start put up all like conversation him and Jara have boy dance and say, boy, say, so none of fraud thing him did that keep for a man and see the whole like conversation. Jara send this, come give him, Jara send the logo, come give him, Jara send this. And everything going to give him so none of fraud dance him that keep. So he shouldn't say no not boy dance. He better than say boy Jara won't able to attend this event anymore. He done so much better. But he say him a big man and Jara making things look like say boy him booking someone behind him back and I keep fraud dance. So that's how the argument start and well me no know I know until today me no listen what we know on some stuff on the internet because me no want to hear me no business about that me general. Because and me and him have anything, me and Wayne don't have nothing, and me and Jara don't have nothing. So I feed them think that. Them are two big man, and I feed them think that. Me just know that me get money for go and dance, and nobody now attack me for and go. Because me not go play Jara sound, and myself me go play for. So, when all this, me, the passa go on the Tuesday, and me have to fly the Wednesday. What me shouldn't do now, me general? I shouldn't just tell Wayne say, yo, me not come here dance, and I can me not like you and Jara and give him back his money or and in ticket. Me have to find back them the give me now. Where me da go get it from for give him now? So I better me just go play the music and collect the balance of money and come back. So that's exactly what me do. Me not go play in a Jara, me go play for myself. By the time I reach back at me down my yard and my general. And they are chill and something. I come back the Monday. The Thursday I get a call from him, from Jaro. And say, you there? I say, yeah man, me there man. I say, me there back here for Monday man. He say, me never know. Me I get exactly how he give it to me. He say, boy, me I change up my thing. He say, the laptop and the charger where you have his son bring them come give me. That's exactly what he said. So, we just say, when you want it, and him pass and he not say nothing. So I say, you want it tomorrow? Him say, no, nothing, all right. I say, all right then, tomorrow. We shouldn't be the Friday. Anyway, me never get to go the Friday, and I come I do some things to my daughter then to go back to school. So I never get to go. But some say the Saturday, because the Saturday Jara base of this year and links are play. A Barrow Bridge a center. Some say when I go dance then, when dance done, we just give him it. Anyway, the Saturday he call me again, the Saturday night day before I go dance, and I say, boy, Freddie, me da look for yesterday, I da look for your contract me yesterday, and I say, so I explain to him and tell him why I couldn't come. And he say, you understand that. But he must say, boy, since I never come, nobody come and dance tonight. I say, what you say? I said, talk to me. Where really I say? He must say, oh, if you make a come play, come and dance tonight, come play. Then people are going to look for me as big idiot. We say, you take side with man who disrespect me, and something I'll play for man who disrespect me. You take side with the man against me, and then you come play some. People are going to look for me like me an idiot. So I say, I mean people are going to look for you like idiot. Who are going to look for you like idiot? I say, look how much these people this way on the internet. I don't pay internet no mind. If me follow up all the people who diss me all on the internet, where would I be today? I don't follow up them things there. I say, boy, I don't have to come on a dance. If I want, I couldn't go in and me dance. But me just easy. This next selector now, what did we go? And me did we carry him. That Tariq. And me did we carry him, like I mean they go drive it good down there. Me now go. Him not have no drive, so him not go reach. So him end up not reach. To him now, to me get to understand, him say, boy, so I tell him, son, come on and dance. You see me, I say, the fire of them when I go through me general, and that, and then I nothing to do with me. I just say, God, that's my testimony, me general, and nothing to do with me, I would have never do that. Even when them say they not go dance, I tell them, say, yo, me good, you know. Because me know me can't bad for my own, and I know if I survive for me. I tell them, say, I want to go on and work. Me good. Them say, no, they not go. Then say, if Jara deal with me, so Jara go deal with them. See? Anyway, the Monday, I go past studio and I carry the laptop. I go there the Monday, he wasn't there. So I just take out the laptop and I give it to the engineer. And I say, turn it on, and then turn it on. And I say, come on, good. He say, yes. I say, lock it off, but I say, and he lock it off. And I say, good. He say, yes. I say, give boss that. And I cut. See, that's all. When everybody start ask what go on now, we start here whole heap of thing. All different type of story now. When someone look on and tell us, but Jara, you did think that Freddie play a sound for you, at 20 a day, I play Jara sound for you now. And you ask him man back for your laptop. See, when you look away, he must say, just ask me, in class, he ask me for the laptop. That's what me hearing saying, ask me for the laptop, because he just want me to come check him. He said, come on. That don't make no sense. If Jara want me to come check him, all him have to say, Freddie, come give me a link, and me go link him. Don't use the laptop on a skip code. See, then when you realize that the laptop thing work, the next thing me hear me general, man say me not like his son. You're the only thing that nearly make me cry living here water in my lad. If a man say me not like his son, you know. Or that guy, that look you never do me nothing yet, you know, my general. I mean that the you never have nothing yet, you know. For me not like the youth there, you know, me done. See, so he start tell people say him not fire me. Say him not fire me, and me my way and to come check him. So me not hide, me just give out the warning, and when they tell me that, me say, well, tell him have a long time for wait, because me not go check him. If him want me, him have to check me not check him. Come here, boy, me a big man. Me a big man and Jara a big man. So if you have a problem with me, talk to me. Me never do you nothing wrong. I and the next man have something and me and you general, me not have nothing. So it just goes over show say all these things when me do. Me not say Jara so no help me, you understand, give me a name.
Yeah,
of course I would be very ungrateful for something like that, man.
If you say that.
You're mad, man. I could have never do that nothing. You're mad, man. I could have never do that. But it just come like say, it's all, you don't make it look like say, me not do nothing for his son and the son do everything for me. And general, the respect when me give Jaro and the love, me put Jara son first in front of myself. Because Jara son I play and me have so many play. Me now go where me I go. Me I go play Jara son. And now go away. And me I go tell you this, my brother. And it may be so away, but I may be wrong. If me wrong, me ask God to forgive me. Every little interview when me listen for what Jara do, Jara never give me no credit. As me say, I'm going to say it again. If me wrong, me ask to forgive me. But me listen when me listen, me not hear Jara give me no credit and big me up and say that even when Trooper dead or World Clash are dead, and Freddie take back his son and go do that, and Freddie lift back the tone to that and all when every selector run. Me not get no credit, me general. A whole heap of big song me put on Jara sound, you know. Whole heap. A lot of people don't even know because when a man hear about kill a man Jara, a man think Jara don't have everything. When me got Jara son, a one berry salmon Jara left, and when Trooper left, a one berry salmon he left that with, you know. Ask him how much them have now. When me got Jara son, a 1.5 pint Jara have, you know. Ask him how much them have. When me got Jara son, me go there go see 2 John. Ask him how much them have. When we go there, them have no master Griffith. Ask them how much them have. You know how much combination, how much big song me voice get Jara. When we go there, Jara have none of them there. And me go there go get Jara them belly song there too. Trooper give them catalog, me give them catalog. So them go on let me put in a work. That you understand what I mean? Me nah walk a look no glory for nobody, you know, but come on general. it make it look like, you know, or it go out to the fans because, you know what I know in life? When you have money or status, you have power. So you see, you know, as a man, when you have the money, nobody no look on you, you know. So you see, when you right, you're not getting the right, you know. The man have the power and the money have the right, you know.
Right.
And when him wrong, you know. And him, everybody I look up to see you, you know. And I think you know, have the right, you know. I'm not look upon you and I say, boy, John, oh. So I don't sit and reach Freddie. Can't believe it. No. I big man, boy, I boss that, you know, I boss, you know, you don't know. No, man, so boss can't wrong too.
You say me can't wrong? Oh.
Yo, me not tell you say me perfect, you know. I mean, I tell you say, me not make mistake along the way, you know. I do. I'm not afraid to accept none of my mistakes. Anything when me do wrong, if me wrong, me just accept and say me wrong. But come on, man. You can't just want to sink me down in one word, so man, it's like me have to turn up on my foot and say nothing.
Boy, bro, I sit down and say, talk about 3 hours, you know, and I listen to the man's story, bro. And, you know, yeah, Job's first son.
Me talk it all
very patient, bro.
Yeah, man.
And look, so humbleness is one thing, you know, Freddie. But do you think being so humble and being not as assertive as you could have been kind of, you know, hold you back somewhat?
Well, you see, if it's the way they're supposed to be, that it's aside for work.
Out of bad come good because at this point in time, FREDDIE KRUEGER movement, one of the nicest, cleanest, sweetest playing sounds in the country, brother.
Yeah.
And if you were probably still around Jaro, you would own a unit.
Would want a unit. So sometimes Nakiwa, me may be stubborn, you know, but just I got to know yourself, man. Me have plan for you, you know, it'll come, you know. So sometimes some bad things are fear, man, then good come out of it. Because me may be stubborn and go like me don't want to move. But God say, yo, me have to make a move, you know, by will or by force, you know.
Yeah.
So me have to put something in the way, you know, where you have to move, you know. You understand? So, yo, as me tell you, still, me learn off of the bad things, man, and then it make me stronger. And me say, yo, Cho, me is not like the rest of selectors who love social media, where they come and hype up and them this and then that and say, boy, me this and me. That is not me. I mean, I adapt it.
Right.
So I go tell them and say, boy, if you see me I do that, you say, you just look and say, Freddie, I make a fool of himself.
A good decision that.
Yeah, because that is not me general. I mean, I go take on that. So therefore, when some people say all the rest of selected them on the internet and I'm behave somewhere, I feel them think that, what another my think that. So me just a humble person, easy. So me just stay the way there.
Yeah, man. We talk about some of the challenges and we talk about some of the successes now. As I say, behind way, part of the machine.
Yeah.
Big bad machine.
Yeah.
I haven't come in a space, come listening in a real life yet. That I got changed, but I've seen quite a few videos and I listen quite a few good videos where the machine a clap, brother.
Yeah, man, it's a play, man. Give
I like that, man.
Yeah, man, give a whole hard work and dedication.
Why? I see it,
yeah, whole heap.
I see it, brother.
Whole heap.
And for a man, we go through so much. For a man, we really and truly take so many things. You deserve it, brother, man.
Yeah, man.
And funnily, one of the first event I see where the machine I play, as luck would have it, is a dance, bass of this, FREDDIE KRUEGER movement, and Killer Man Jara string up in a dance.
Yeah, man, it's a good look. It was a challenge, but it's a good look, you know.
And I suppose they must feel, you know, proud to say, all right, here I go on. I struggle, so, even though, so Jara was great to me, but there was also some bad time, and now my sound there, and I can string up beside one of the biggest sounds we ever make.
Aye. And I play with Chupa before, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and Chupa play before, man.
Cool, man.
And honestly, speaking, you know, man, can you see me, I just saw me stay, you know. Regardless of the challenge me and Chupa have back then.
Yeah, and Chupa good, you know.
Me and him good. Yeah, you know, as I say, everybody have them ways. Saying, but whatever ways him have, still show me good, still, you know. Because, me not lie to you, you say, if tomorrow morning me want to know, oh, there's something I screw, I mean, know. I can pick up my phone and I call Trooper, you know. And remember me telling him, tell me how it's screwing. If him don't know if it's screwing, it's Freddie. Call the number.
You see, Trooper, my observation with Trooper, I don't think Trooper really mean 99% of the time. Trooper, you stay one way and that's how you stay.
May I tell you something about Trooper? May I tell you something what me see? You see, Trooper, I think people just mess around it. But you see, Trooper, he have a art there, man. He have a real good art too, you know.
I think Trooper mean bad.
No, you see, outside of the music thing, talk about outside of the music. I left the music thing.
Right.
Outside of the music.
Cool youth,
my general. Him, outside of the music, I remember me tell you, Trooper would never make us suffer. Outside of the music, I can tell you that about him, you know. If you call upon Trooper right now, if Trooper have a last dollar, we give it. So you say, regardless what happened to with me and him in the past, me know the good way I'm having in heart. So me never make what in the past. Me use that against him. Me not use it against him. You understand? Until today, Trooper not fi call me. Enough time me pick up my phone and call him. I call him. I say, iPad and we are dealing, they're good. And he say, yeah man, Freddie, me good man. And he say, boy, oh, you sound alright. I say, yeah man, it sound alright, man. So he's a youth, him always give me ideas and he always, you know?
Yes.
Him good down way there. And me lift me up. As me say, me still have respect for him and I go forever have it.
Naturally.
And nobody can take
legendary figure in our space, man.
Yeah, man.
See, and speaking about the machine, so based on what I've seen, three columns.
A 2.5 column
column.
Right now, but we soon reach a 3, man. Yeah, man. Father God, I put it in place, you know?
Brother, and so I sit down and I look on the machine and as I say, I'm really and truly happy for the man, brother.
Yeah, man, we give thanks,
you understand? If you see some of the struggles that we deal with, brother.
Yeah, man.
If you sit down and I know, doing the research now to build a sound system that this back at me and achieve something, brother. So I know it's a lot of sacrifice. Hard work.
Yeah, man, and me have some real friends out there already too, where them not telling me now if I want the help and they can help me, they might help me. So I give them whole heap of thanks too.
Nice, man.
Yeah, man.
And I hope sincerely that, you know, for whatever desire you have for the movement and the sound system, you achieve it, brother, because you pay your dues, man. You take your knocks.
Yeah, man, I take it.
You spend your time on the battlefield, brother.
Yeah, man.
So whatever good you achieve is very deserving, man.
True.
Yeah. How big is the team at the moment?
Well, me have 2 more selectors. I have DJ Tarek, I have DJ Tico there. Seeing so. It's about 8 away around the sound.
Cool, man. Cool,
cool. So, you know, so you see, we are now. No boss, no there for my team, you know.
Family.
A family. The whole of we are friends and the whole of we come together. Even though maybe me at the end of the day, I put the money, I give them the money, but no boss thing. You see, in the whole of we are friends, and we just know some boy this and we just know some me have it, but we don't deal with the boss, we don't work on them in the boss thing. We just we just a family.
So just one machine you plan to keep it as you know, just one
man,
unit or
just one unit.
You plan to build another one and another one.
Well, I wouldn't say no still because me tell you honestly, you know what will happen. No, you never know when it comes.
And a business, you know what thing, if the demand is there,
yes,
makes sense, you understand. More money, you know.
True.
You know where some go. And for the people, the promoters out there who interested for book you, I don't know how they find you. Well,
you know, Freddie Krueger on Facebook. Instagram of Freddie Krueger straight here, or you are Freddie27 Krueger at yahoo.com, or you can give me a call 876-576-2990.
Run the number again.
876-576-2990.
Mad. I'm going to talk about some more things before I wrap it now.
Yeah.
So City Eat.
Yeah.
Super D.
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro. Freddie Krueger movement.
Yeah.
Which area of the journey has been the most fulfilling to you? Like, you know, you look back on it and say, yes, me enjoy that.
All right. Be honest, still, you know, I think me enjoy all of the journey them, because every journey was different.
True, fair enough.
Yeah, because City it was a start. Super D was a major improvement. See? And then Kilimanjaro take it to the highest point.
True.
So from that, you get the knowledge and the experience and everything that's I couldn't even branch off by my own.
Yeah.
So every all of them combine a part of the success.
True. Yeah, you ever sit down in a quiet time and meditate and say, Jaja, you know, I wish I never did do that something there along the journey, or I should have do it a different way, and I shouldn't do it none at all.
In my music thing?
Yeah, along the selecting journey.
Right. Well, maybe make some decision, or maybe like even the first time when we left and
Go Europe.
I think that was a wrong decision. That should have never happened, but it do happen still because we are human being. I think that was the first error that me ever make in this music thing. When we should make the error there. And we should have never make ego get the best of me. So I think ego get the best of me. That's all. That should have never happened, but it happened. And sometimes some things that money happen for a reason. I think that was one of the things that should have never happened still. So if me couldn't turn back the clock, that is something we wouldn't turn back.
But then again, all of them something they have led to this, brother.
It led to this, yeah, that is
so
true.
So you go on. I just part and parcel, I think, still.
Yeah.
See, lessons to be learned.
Yes.
Lessons have been learned.
Yeah, man.
Super D. List me 5 dub plates in the Super D box, which just never fail you. Like from them, they go up on the turntable, boy, dead.
Why me I tell you the truth, you know? Anytime killer touch that turntable and nothing pretty, you know?
Yeah.
When killer, any killer, no sound in this world of the sample killer them like a Super D. I mean none. I mean, them have whole heap in a but the boy have the sample killer them are Super D. It come like a Super D, then Billy for first.
Is Father Dennis still alive?
Yeah, man, him still alive, man.
So what the catalog there?
Him have him catalog, man. He love him music.
He love him music, yeah.
Yeah, if me never build a sound,
then I refresh Super D catalog.
I think if today if Dennis say, yo, Freddie, take them dub and go along with them and take them for yourself.
They change the
sound. But don't with Freddie Krueger, Super D, me turn the scene.
That makes sense, brother.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, man, Super D, me turn the scene, man.
Now is nothing come close to Super D.
To Super D. But I just have my catalog and just have no plate in my house.
That makes sense, brother, Super D.
Yeah, man. Super D have a catalog that way unconditional, man. You can't get back that, man.
Any killer around Super D?
Anyone, man.
In a Jaro. And you know, I said this already before, that if I was a selector, the sound that I based on how them cut them dub plates and the depths of the catalog, the sound that I would want to play is funnily Killer Man Jaro. See?
Yeah, man, let me tell you.
Tell me 5 dub plates in the box where when Jaro play them a different business.
There's so much. Why, may I tell you? When you come on to Jara, you know, that the sound that the man have the anthem. I don't think the sound in this
Jara have the most anthem, man.
That's what I'm saying.
Let me tell you, say Jara with a selector.
So let me tell you, he come like if you choose the anthem, yeah.
Yeah, one next one better.
But them have so much anthem. But be honest, let me tell you, you see Johnny Clark, Have No Fear.
Have No Fear.
Yeah. I never see that song that feel Jara yet, you know. Pod Roots, Conqueror, me never see that feel Jara yet, you know. I never see Tennessee feel Jara yet neither, you know.
Never.
Me never see Garnex Silk feel him neither, you know. I never see Reason feel Jara yet neither. Johnny Osborne, you know.
Can't find the reason.
Them the song that can't feel Jara. Feel.
Yeah.
Jara have song for take him out of any problem when he reach in that problem.
True, yeah.
Him have that. Me no know, me can't tell you that.
You see the thing with Jaro, I guess maybe you see true jam isn't really clash.
Yeah.
But Jara cut from the whole of the man them still there about brother. Trying nitty gritty. The tenor
some of them
so
too.
that means I tell us the jam is lightly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah.
Even Jack Scorpio, they really dig deep because them are cut from similar times. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
But in terms of the sounds, they go do it at Jaro.
Yeah. But the reason why, even though they maybe have some of them songs, but the song them, even if them have the same song with Jaro, you know,
it cut different.
It cut different than a Jaro make them song they will be knowing.
True.
Like me now, me Vice a bury someone for Jara sound and me make that be known. And every sound cut it on the same rhythm and follow.
I mean, if it work, why not?
Yeah, because Far East bury someone groovy little thing. I mean the first man Vice.
Because when me start cut, I only do go listen to the Jaro, the bass of the stone of them.
Yeah.
And if it work for them that way there, and I saw me like, I saw me cut it too. Why not? You would have played one of the greatest sound system ever created in Kilimanjaro. Yeah. And a boy accomplishment. That.
Yeah,
You know, just play it. You really and truly did significant work around the sound. But is there a sound where you never did play where you say, you know, I think I couldn't take that sound up on a level and mash up the world with it?
Aye. One sound different, other some Jara I know so me couldn't take and bust it big, you know. I mean, no so I couldn't do that. Heat Wave.
Heat Wave.
Heat Wave have song, you know?
Heat Wave have song.
Heat Wave a catalog a song that when nobody is not supposed to have. Heat Wave. I say through the sound and never get the break there.
Right.
It just need somebody who know music to bring out the sound to people. Heat Wave.
Interesting answer that.
Yeah, man.
Bobby now have a catalog, man.
You have a catalog, man.
Which sound or selector you enjoyed going up against the most back in the days when you're sharp like a razor?
Alright. Basically say our Black Cat. Two of them.
Panther and Squingy.
Yeah, man. When I play, you have to play your game still, and I can remember me telling you, easy cup of tea, them they deal with, you know. No, I used to feel them clash is where I enjoy for them clash more because them man, the thing are really sport, you know. Seeing you then want dance, even clash you and Panther and them clash. You laugh right through. You understand? And Squinch, you know, is a youth to take film when he really up on the A game, you know.
Yes.
You have to stand up and watch him because him can give a good performance. And I really admire that. Even though I'm boss before them, you know.
Right.
A lot of people maybe know this thing. You know my boss before Chupa.
Yeah, because Super D not out there a kick before Chupa boss Panjara like that.
Yeah, Chupa boss Panjara 95. From 92 me that road I run road straight.
Which selector gave you the most problem in your clashing life?
Well, when I play with, when me up on Super D, basically we get the hardest fight on Jaro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
Chupa is a man, Chupa is a commanding man, and Chupa is a man, Chupa will tell the whole dance to walk out by you know. And you have the thing about him, you know.
Yes.
Chupa will give a heart. If you go play in them time, you go play. Because them time I not play. When I play Super D, I not play with the Black Cat nothing about me.
Right.
We play with Jara, we play with bass and they say. Them dancer fine, you gotta go play with them the sound, you know. You have to do on your A game, you know. Because you know it's not an easy dance that. The one on a sound for ramp with until today. Even the bass they say, even when I play Jara, we know how we and bass they say I go play. We know say it's not an easy walk over. Whether for juggling or whatever we are going on, it's not an easy walk over. You have to prepare mentally, physically, everything.
Which would you may enjoy cutting dub plates on the most?
Kochi.
Kochi. Oh yeah?
I love Kochi
as an aggressive man, I expect a different rhythm still.
I love Kochi and Taxi.
Taxi.
Yeah.
Which artist you enjoy cutting the most?
Luciana.
Why? Are you about the fifth man in a row? Like line up?
You see Luciana. I see Luciana now. He is a people person and him easy to deal with. When you have a challenge with an artist, because a man will come and say, boy, I can't deal with this song, I change. Luciana not do that.
I give you what you ask.
As long as it's in a film guideline and in principle, you understand, he might do it. Because that's how you want it. You understand? And he's a man who have enough idea. If you come with a rhythm and you say, boy, I want a song on that. And next artist you tell us about he can't work on that. He can't, I never sing on the rhythm, man. Luciana say, he just answer. I see him start skank. I see him just start sing. In fine sing. Yeah. We should have the next artist now, he might tell us boy, he will tell us he can't fit and boy, they really too slow, man. And you know, him find fault without him even try. But me say you know, when me go through, they go find something, you know. Me not just get a rhythm and just go check artist with you know. Me just sit down have it on my laptop and I play and I sing the artist song on it so me know what can fit.
I really select
I saw me do things. Anytime I go voice or juggling, me sing every song when I want on it first before me go to the artist with it. So you can't tell me say it can't work. Me know it can't work.
Yeah. So my artist then just too lazy, brother.
Then that me I try just lazy
That's
then
the
lazy.
problem. Yeah, man, but funnily, like for the past about 5 interviews that I do with selectors,
Yeah.
and I ask a question there, Luciano, for different reasons.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah, him humble upon them something, man. And it's true, him there I think long time too. And a cure, you know, if someone was sing pan him used to the dance already,
Yeah,
so him
man.
know how to
Yeah,
handle
man.
him, you know. So funny hear it,
Yes.
he have it.
Which sound was your favorite juggling sound back in the days?
Otherwise on Super D,
Yes.
I must have
I mean, sound where you don't play, man. So you don't have to bring it Super D.
otherwise I'm Super D, me tell them, me love how drummer juggle.
Oh, cool, no?
Yeah. Drummer can juggle.
And what was your favorite Clash sound back in the days?
Back in the days,
As in-
Super Saint.
Super Saint, Captain Midnight. Whoa. Mad.
Kind of him, me see him do some crazy thing in a dance.
So
man.
me here, sir.
Yeah, man. In a film Clash era, me see him bad. Midnight bad.
So me here.
Yeah, man, him bad, man. That man bad, man. Bad, man. All right. If you tell you the honest truth, the only man me see angle a turntable like I see Midnight angle it, you know, is Delano, you know, from Renaissance. You know.
Renaissance.
I remember say we after him, Delano coming up.
We up the line.
Yeah, I'm from them time that. All right. Me stand up and watch that, man.
Vinyl, man.
Me I tell you what me seen do with vinyl already. Me stand up and I don't like nobody tell me. Me say artist a DJ and him a play the punani rhythm and the whole vinyl so. And I've not to do the mixer you know. And I turn holding on in a pan the vinyl, pan the turntable and I mix you know. Boop, 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 boop,
And mix
boop,
it pan
boop,
it.
boop. Pan the vinyl.
And not the
not the fader and just hold the record so. And just a mix it so. Me stand up and see him do that with me yet. Me say, what is somebody I do? Me never see that yet. Him are the only man me see that. Until today, me say our next selector do that. Me no see it. Me no say no more to do it. But him alone, me see that and a long time that.
Captain Midnight.
Captain Midnight, man.
What the sweetest sound system you ever hear string up and play. And I say, yo, music can't get no sweeter than this.
Different from my sound. And my sound
Yeah,
sweet
different
like
from
a
your
sugar.
sound.
Let me have the ask.
Different from your sound.
My sound sweet like a sugar, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm tell you what, all right. Over the years, the quality
changes.
it changes
Yeah.
still. It changes.
Yeah, man, but it don't matter.
But two sound me hear, I say inner city. Me love how inner city sound.
Mark Jagan.
Yeah, man, that the sound that ever sound sweet. Inner city, I say Travelers sound
Travelers. Oh,
too.
yeah?
Yes.
You know, Travelers are murderers still. We never know. So it sounds sweet like that.
Yeah, man, them sound. Until to the day me I tell about, you know, to the present. If you listen Travelers, them sound sweet. Them sound good.
You never listen to Travelers in a real life. It's
Yeah, well, if you talk about nowadays sound, I have a sound from the West there. And nowadays sound now. See name Black Colors. Yo, I love the sound.
Black Colors. Oh, first night hear about the name of the song.
Black Colors? A bad sound that, you know.
Westmoreland?
Westmoreland that come from, you know.
The sound that when you hear now about now, when you hear them talk about natural vibes and rough cut.
Because I guess now.
Maybe Interceptor.
Yeah, rough cut on a sentence natural vibes. I'm the way they turn out. Well,
so them sound the name then car. I mean, you know them sound in a real life. Just on YouTube. Still.
Yeah, but rough cut now is a sound now. Them are the most of the local clash them are going now, even yard and foreign, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, them are the whole of a clash now still, you know. And Them a do good. Because them a win them dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah, them a
Me
do
need to
good.
take in there sound there from
Yeah,
time
man,
to
them a
time.
do good. Them a, me not get, me listen
You
Natural Vibes a few times.
Oh,
still.
okay, cool. Huh?
Still, you understand? But them not create no damage, but me know them sound good and
Yeah.
everything, and them can juggle too. Them can juggle. But me I tell them say
Black Colors.
Black Colors can juggle
Now,
and they can clash.
Actually,
Black
at the
Colours-
first, me I hear the name of the sound for you.
Black Colors,
Yeah, man.
the
So me go
sound
seek
they
it
loaded
out.
too, you know. The sound they loaded. You understand? But true, maybe no, true them maybe them places, but true them do a whole heap of PA system
Right.
thing also.
Okay,
you know.
cool, huh?
Yeah, then the whole heap of them thing that them have, them do good PA system business and them.
So
something
full
for the website.
music production.
Yes,
them deal with,
yeah,
man.
full, yeah. I think them thing then different from something they call it True Colors.
True Colors. Okay.
On the west. So them do whole heap of work, them do, man. Good sound them have, and good sound. And there's a whole heap more good sound out there.
Whole sound about there, brother.
There's a lot more good sound out there.
See, I look at sound
a lot of
on
people
YouTube
are
and
here.
Wizard. Based on me ear, so them sound good
Yeah,
too.
man, out on the whole Harbour Road them come from. Them sound good too, man. Sweet, man.
I only see all I saw them.
You know
one
what?
at a time. As many as we
But as
can.
me I tell you, say, there's so much sound in this country, man. The sound
when
good,
me
man.
realize, say, you know, because when I tell me that, say, sound, when I tell me that, say, it's sound culture thing, I die out. But right now, the only thing with more than sound, I carry, brother. Who you go to sound next sound?
Well, yeah,
brother.
sound that Jamaica like, whoa. Me I
Because if
tell
you look just for the
I
sound
see.
fest, them we keep, a million sound string up,
Million
all of
sound
them, brother,
string,
have
yeah,
them
man.
across every parish.
Yeah, man, enough sound about, man. Enough sound, my brother. Whole heap of sound.
Yeah.
And some of, I may tell you honest truth, and them sound good.
I got one
Me I
tail
tell
list,
you,
man. I got one tail list.
yeah.
But you are one now, bro. For all of the man struggles, brother, to say, you know, the vibe where you're under, you know, to say you're in a nice zone, you understand? You're not on a chip on your shoulder. You like that. You understand?
Yeah.
And for your man, we go through so much for you hold it and, you know what I mean, come out on the next side of it and still positive and, you know what I mean, create an environment where you know I bring through some youth in the thing.
Yeah.
And them something. I respect that, man.
Yeah, man, we give
See
thanks,
me?
man.
And I never know so the man journey was so hill and gully ride or
Because as I say, still miss a youth, and there's many more things I
I
may
can
just hold
imagine.
and
Yeah,
not
man, I
talk,
may
you know,
understand
because you
that, man. I
but
understand.
sometimes there's certain things you have to really say it, because if you say it, sometimes people out on the street I mean, are out there in the social media world. I look on you different way, like we say, boy, you do this and you do that.
Right.
But if you not explain, me not want nobody know what me say. Tell them what really go down or whatever not go down, you know. And I like me have to do it. Me not have to do it. Because me just knowing in my heart what happened, and me just know where me right and where me wrong. But sometimes you have to involve people too. Because them look upon your life one different way now. And they will look upon you and say, boy, you're not good, somebody, you're not this. Until
them hear your side.
they hear your side and know, say, boy, I saw you go, and saw you go, and I saw you go. They must say, John knows, sir.
Yeah, man.
I really...
And what you right too. You see, as me introduce you, I don't think we live in a space where Freddie Krueger get the respect where you deserve, that you have earned.
Yeah.
Zane, and without going around in a corner, brother, enough of them nobody like you, bro. You're one of
Until to the day.
the baddest selector we ever do the thing
Until
before.
to the day.
And the record out there for sure it.
He did
We
it,
don't
and
only
just
guess and spell it up.
Yeah, man, he did it, you know. And the statistics there, you know, and the amount of things are there, you know. It'll take time to climb up them, I will see it, you know.
Time, man.
Because me sit down and, as me say, me is not a social media. Me is a person, me will go on social media. But like for me, if you present my face and talk, me not them type of person. Me not doing that. Me not them, some of them, me not fool on them things like that if I go and show my face and I did. You understand? But every work that I have done, I just time, you know, it don't ever show, you know. The places I've been, it don't ever show, you know, and then document and they never show, you know, but it just take time.
Time, man. As I said, bro, you're one of the greatest to do the thing, and as somebody who love the thing and have been paying attention to the thing from when you're youth, we know the works, brother. We know the depths of the work. And I know just because we sit down here, so we have to tell you that. We know what you have done, bro. It's just that I never know so much struggle was in it. So I respect the fact, say, you know what I mean? You hold it, brother, and you reap the rewards of being a humble, kind-hearted person, brother. And I wish you nothing but success, my bro, man. You understand? And go and build a thing, and as me say, you never know. You could have played 3 venues per one day. You understand what I mean? I said 3 machines.
Yeah,
I just saw a thing.
We still have to big up the selector them out there now. The one them before me, the one them in my time, and the one them still
to forward.
And the youth them out there want to do them things here. And just, all me can tell them, say, yo, we don't nobody give up. You say, when you love music, just go on the music. You understand? There's enough good places we take there. Them just do it the best with your ability. Saying, and believe you me, the humblest you can be, saying the best way for you in life when you have music to deal with. Just humble in anything you do. And don't hype, because sometimes you hype out yourself out of the business too.
True.
You understand? Because guess what? Me there in this thing, me and the Ricky Trooper, me and the Squingy, me and the Panther, me and the Mataran, me and the Lynx, saying, me and the Johnny Guard, me and the, just name them, just name the bat selector them, me and the whole of them there. Whole of them. And guess what? Me maybe not get a big name pop like how them get, because them always be the man round them sound, the fourth runner for them sound. You understand? But to me, it don't really matter, because me still there stand predominant same way with them. You know, we may be have a bad time, but we're still there with them, and we work with one another, we still reason, and not care what happen. But then, me and them, we just put bad things aside, and sometimes some things that we can laugh about and talk about same way. Saying, so as a selector, we just try to live good with one another, man. Saying, and just know some music I love. You understand?
Father Francis, FREDDIE KRUEGER, the German Luger.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, man,
Yeah,
bro.
Man,
Appreciate the reasoning, man.
Yeah, man, I'm glad
brother.
feet and
Brother, that's cool, man.
Yeah, man. Glad feet, man.
Heart of love, man. Heart of love, man.
Bless
All
up.
the success along the journey.
Yeah, man.
Bless it.
Yeah.